is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. We are live again in these markets. Everybody, if you've been following along, I've been trading these Apex accounts. Let's see what I'm looking at. I got 3 Apex accounts copy trading. Let's see. I got my levels drawn out on the chart on the 5-minute. I kind of wish I hopped in this little short here pre-market right before, but it's dangerous getting in, right before the open. But look at this drop. I saw it. I saw all of this resistance here. But I didn't hop on it. I didn't take it. But that's okay. We'll get other opportunities though. Let me go ahead and get the chat in. Give me 1 second. Oh my gosh, look at that dump. Wow, 50 points. 50-point dump out of the gate before we even open. Wow. This might, I don't know, this might pump up. I might have to trade the reaction off of that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at it touch the golden fib. Oh, nice, JC. Good morning. Nice. Requested that payout. I was gonna, so funny story about that. I was looking at it last night. I waited till like 11 o'clock midnight, and I was like, okay, I see the accounts. I'm about to request this, but I was like, no, let me make a video on it and walk through for the people that haven't been paid out just yet. Let me save this and not do it. Make a video on it. But nice, JC. That's what's up. Get that money. Get that payout. Make these prop firms pay you. Make them pay you. Secure the bag. We got about 30 seconds till open. That drop. Man, that drop. That was beautiful. Man, that would have been clean. If you'd have longed the golden fib, got out at the top at that resistance area, long down here, got out right here, and then shorted, enter a short again. Man, you just could have ran like 100 points just now. Literally just like that before the market even opened. All right, we're ding, ding, ding. We're open. We're live. Look at that get bought back up. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, let me get this this chat thrown in here real quick. I'm missing action. We're missing action right now. Actually, no, I wouldn't touch this. It's way too violent for me right now, y'all. Way too violent. I'm gonna keep it. I said I was gonna keep it light. We're gonna stick to those words. We're gonna keep it light unless we get volume. We get a volume push. I might go 10 contracts if we get a volume push. I mean, like heavy. Like yesterday's sell-off, when it sold off, that's the time I look to attack the market, go heavy, maximize my potential gains. But we'll see. Last night's recap, I was basically thinking, obviously the two scenarios. I'm looking at both scenarios that I could definitely see possibility. We're in the 800s right now. I could definitely see a pump. Right now we got this resistance built up here at these highs. But what I was thinking last night, just based off the daily chart, it could still run up a little bit and then dump. So I could see both sides, both the bulls and the bears, winning today or eating today.
Yeah, I can see that too. So I was originally short. Obviously, I did not take profits at 756, but I'm gonna run my practice account today. I really don't feel like going into XFA or an eval today. It's Friday. It's quad witching. That means a lot of contracts are expiring. So usually with quad witching, everybody's just balancing their book. So the price action is just going to be weird today. So just be mindful of that.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oops.
And look at CL. So I caught that CL long. Got out, and this looks like it's about to use all that liquidity to go short.
Alright,
like I said, I have this love-hate relationship with CL because she is just too slow. She is just too slow for me.
Yeah, I'm looking at Bookmap. We got heavy liquidity out here from 8:15 to 8:25ish 30 area. Yeah, we'll call it 8:30. 8:15 to 8:30. We got heavy liquidity up here. Let's see if the bulls can break this. Obviously, it's been struggling pre-market since we look here about 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and it hasn't broke. Like really 8:12, 8:13. I mean, obviously we got these wicks above, but then it got sold back off. So.
Yep. So I'm short at 8:11. I've been short since.
Nice.
When did I get into this? I got in this at 6 o'clock. So I've been in this trade since 6:44.
Nice,
I'm short at 8:11. I'm looking to scale in.
Mm-hmm.
Most likely at probably around 8:45ish, 8:43, 8:45 if it gets up that high. But my target, believe it or not, is actually at 684.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that we get a big drop down to 684. We'll see if it hits today. What are your thoughts? What are you thinking right now?
Wait, what level did you say we get to potentially?
So I'm thinking 684. That's where my target is for the short.
Oh, okay,
We could see a bounce around 734. We could see a bounce at 734. So I think it would just be to probably rebalance like an old high. And I think ultimately price is heading towards 684, but that's my assumption. Obviously, it could go higher. I doubt it, but
yeah.
I think that's my outlook for right now.
I'm flat right now. I think the bulls want to try to break out of this level. I mean, like you said, there's liquidity up here, but I think I might go. I'm gonna see if we get the touch of VWAP again at 789, 790 area. I want to see. I got a long here at. Oh, it almost wicked down and touched, but it didn't. With VWAP. So I'm gonna I got a limit at 89, one con. Let's see if it taps me in. But yeah, guys, that big drop yesterday, when I didn't look at the charts until I got in to do my recap video, and I saw that I was punching the air. I'll tell you that. That huge drop. I mean, I just knew we were gonna get a sell-off yesterday. It only made sense. That's the logical thing to do. We ran up like 1,000 points for Powell's speech, and then like, what are you gonna keep buying up there? No. Who buy? Like, no. Sell off. Take your profits, and that's exactly what that was yesterday. Just not, I wanted it in between. It didn't come when I wanted it to. I wanted it in between this morning range. Oh, here we go, guys. We got to push. But I need to see break these levels. Yeah, it came, after the stream, which sucks because I closed my charts. I was done. I was mentally tired, exhausted. Just, yeah. This whole week has been like crazy. It's like bittersweet. Like, I'm green for the whole week in my Apex accounts, but my Top Step, not so much. I hit daily loss limit yesterday. We're going to try to come back and make a bounce back today, though. I think this is the push right here. If you're still in your short, you might, well, I'm not going to say.
This is my practice account.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not trading my evals or XFAs today. Like I said, far glitching, yeah. I know that the price action is going to be crazy. They're just trying to balance the book, so I'm not going to deal with that.
Yeah.
Now, if we get a close above this level, then we know that this is a true breakout. You got to
Right.
get a breakout above it. And you
Yeah.
got to get a retest for it to go higher.
I'm thinking at least clear 830, at least 830, close out above 830, just because there's still liquidity up here, kind of heavy, 25 to 30. The sellers do not want to see it go past that. Um, yeah, I was thinking about that, Ivan. That 590 target you mentioned yesterday. I was like, he's pretty close. It's not far, not that far off. You know, it's the NQ. You know the NQ can do it. I don't know if I should. I think I want to put a trail here at the resistance, but I want to give it time to run up. If it is gonna run, I want to give it time to run. How much liquidity? We got a 64 block at 25. We almost hit that. Let's see if we break this block right here at 25 and push higher. We're probably gonna get. Okay, we're pushing. We're pushing up. We might get sold down off of that block. Let's see. I'm only in one contract, y'all. I set my limit at VWAP. I didn't chase because I was thinking about buying when it was up here. I set my limit at VWAP that was down here at 89, 790 range. Okay, we're getting a sell off from those blocks up there. 20, yeah, that 25 block we're selling off now. But I think the bulls want to take this. I think they want to take it, at least for now. Back at point of control on trading view. We're at point of control. We're at that 806 previous high on PAL day before the dump. So 806 was the high, and then it dumped off, and then, you know, obviously we ran back up in the day. After the Powell speech, after FOMC. So 806 is a little key level there. Yeah, directionally, I have been on point. It's just the timing, right? The timing is everything, though. Timing is everything, because I've been too early in my positions and maybe sized in too heavy and got clapped, when if I would have just went light, just one contract, let things play out, and then add in heavy once it's in my favor. You know, that's the way to do it. But like I said, I don't like my personality. I don't like being in the markets all day. I used to when I first started, because I was really trying to learn. It was everything. But now I'm like, I just want to get my profits and be done. Move on to the next thing. Like, I do not like sitting in the market all day anymore. I don't.
I'll sit in the markets all day.
Yeah, you'll sit in the markets all day. I do not like that. Like before, I used to make my $1,000 a day, and I'd be done. I'd be like, oh, I'm cool with that. Give me 1,000, I'm done. I'll go to the gym, do whatever, do what I want to. You know, use my time. You know, it's my time after that. But I don't know. I want to see us clear 830 before I add anything significant.
Well, like I said,
oh, news.
I think the top is 840. I think the top is 840, dude.
840?
I think so.
Let's see.
I think the top is 840.
I'm only in one. It is struggling here. I do want to put like a trail. Let's check the 5 minute. Let's check our different time frames. We always got to keep in mind other time frames and stuff to see a better picture. 5 minute. I don't know. I think this is gonna go up. I'm looking at the 5 minute.
Yeah, I mean, of course. Oh, go ahead.
5 minute, 15 minute. Let me look at the 1,000 tick. 1,000 ticks in a little up. Well, we just kind of consolidation range on 1,000 tick right here. We can see we're trying to break out of that range. It's looking like a uptrend on the 1,000 tick. Let's look at the higher times, definitely in an uptrend. We know that. But this area here, I drew this box for a reason, because there was like bouncing off support here and then resistance, and now, you know, resistance hopefully turned into support right here. That would be nice to go higher. You got to be careful of this area here, this 850, 840 area, like you mentioned. There's so much that goes, like I said, after doing all this, analyzing all this data, my brain hurts and I just want to be done. That's why, yeah, I can't sit behind this screen all day. That's why, you know, I went tilt last Monday, because I sat in this chair in this office for 8 hours all day from a little bit before market open till market close, being a straight degenerate. And I was up 5K and I gave it all back at the end of the day. Like, that was tilt. That is tilt for me. And I didn't even realize I was in there all day. My emotions were crazy. That is a tilt day for me. That's a true tilt. Sitting in there for 8 hours and I didn't even realize it. By the time I was done, I was like, man, market's closed? It's closed already? Like, what's going on? Alright, we're pushing. This is a 50-point candle on the 15-minute. We are pushing, ladies and gents. I just caught 50 points on one contract. Well, I didn't realize it, but 50 points. Let's check the calendar for news. Let's see what we got. 840. We tapped 840 like you mentioned.
Yeah, actually, I scaled in long too.
Okay.
I scaled in long at, like, when I saw that break of structure,
Yeah.
that's when I scaled in long. So now my new point of entry is at 840.
Yeah, we do got PMI.
Yeah,
PMI is about to come out. I don't know how much that's going to affect everything.
We will see. Like, so that's why I'm just gonna stick to my practice account today, because we don't know. I mean, they're trying to rebalance the books. They could push this higher, just because they may have some old orders that they need to fill. Because you got to understand that these institutions have expectations by their clients. They have to get a certain amount of orders filled. In order to do that, they may have to revisit a level multiple times. So we don't. That's why with this timing thing, we kind of have to think like, okay, so with these orders at these levels, would they be filled? If it's a yes, and you want to take that opportunity, you should take it. If no, you see bullish reaction, you see stairs stepping up, you see bullish movement, but not a real bear move down. That usually means that they're trying to still fill orders at old levels, and that's what I've learned just by watching the chart all day. And that's played out how many times on stream? How many times that's played out?
Many times. We got news. The news might drop it a little bit. I don't know, or it could push. I was about to to clear the 50 points. Remember, I said I gotta start taking my profits, right? I do need to start taking my freaking profits. I'm only in one. I want to see if I can survive the news. But I'll set a TP at like 8:15. Oh, okay, we got news, pushing, whipping. We're pushing. We're coming into heavy liquidity at 648. If we push up there, so it might get sold down there. I might put a limit to get out at 43, 45-ish here if we can push. Let's see. Liquidity just got moved down. It's not that heavy though. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a drop. But looking at this is, if this doesn't break this EMA here and it keeps pushing up, I think we're good. I think we're solid. What are the numbers? 48.2. Okay, that may be bad, I guess. But 51.3 global manufacturing. So services is up, but manufacturing is down. Okay, yeah, we'll see. That was a 47-point run up on the 15-minute candle. We just entered the new 15-minute. We're down about 10 points right now on this candle.
Yeah. These charts don't lie. Like, what do we say? 43, 44. So the top for right now is 44. Yeah, I feel that. I feel we might get a drop if price drops.
Yeah, I'll set my. Oh shoot! Let me get the. Hurry up before it hit. I'll set my stop right there at 15 just to secure some profit. All right, we secured some profit. I was up 50 points, but I secured like 25 points, somewhere around there. Yeah, got to take profits at the top. I thought we were going to get maybe a push to 50. There was liquidity sitting up there. We might get it on the next run up. And I may just reposition here. I may just reposition here. I'm gonna
let's see what happens at VWAP around
yeah,
796.
yeah.
Let's see if it's a bullish reaction, because I think this is going. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I got a limit set at VWAP. Yeah, and I might just I don't want to add too high here, but the EMA's 9 EMA just crossed below the 21, but it could just. Let me see. Let's let it play out. Let's let it play out. Let's let it play out. Yeah. Actually,
I don't know, man. This is kind of bearish, man.
Yeah,
it just,
yeah.
Rebalance the area right there.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I moved my order down from VWAP to just below, back at 780. I put my order at 780. My limit to go long again. Let's see what happens here though. 15-minute is still looking bullish to me. Like we got a little bit more upside to go. Like this could be just, let me look at the 5-minute. 5-minute, that could be the ceiling for now. It's still bullish trending overall, but right now that with that news drop, yeah, I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to put a limit here.
I would wait. I think if price gets below those lows, I feel like this is a classic pattern for this to drop. I feel like this is going to drop, and I wouldn't trust those equal lows at 757 in that area. I feel like there'll probably be more of a bounce, like at 734. I think we'll get a bounce there at 734. We might pump this back up to 788, around that area, maybe even back to the 800s. And then probably finish this rotation down.
That's near the lows. That 734 would be 732 is the pre-market low. That would be crazy.
Yeah, I'm thinking that it can get to that level right there.
That would be nice.
And then we get a bounce out. Yeah. Probably get like the 788 to 800s, like I said. But ultimately, I'm gonna keep this short. I'm keeping this short from 684. I feel like that's gonna probably be the bottom for today.
You in short from where?
So I was originally short at 811. I hedged my position from 80. I guess when it got to 805, I did see that it was going to make a bullish move up to 44, so I scaled in one contract to hedge it. Got out at 41, so now my new entry is at 839.
Nice.
And that's my new average entry. Yep.
Nice. That's what's up. Yeah, I should have got out at 40 here up with you, but I wanted to see if we are going to get that push. I mean, that extra 10 points, right? I'd be like, I don't want to give up. It's crazy. I don't want to give up 10 points, but I'll give up $500. So I made I was up 50 points unrealized on one contract. I'm keeping it light. Yeah, that's crazy. I wanted 10 more points is what I was, it hit 44, so 6 more points is what I was looking for. And I should have got out. I was going to set my limit, my trail to get out at 40, but price was whipping around. I was too slow to execute. But I mean, that's the game. I did protect the position. I still walked away with something, but just got to be on point and just move on. I'm all right with that. I'm not mad at it, but let's see. We gonna get a push here, or is this a fake out?
I feel like this is a fake out, dude. I mean, for this to be real, if this is a real push, I feel like it has to close above.
Order filled.
All right, I just hopped in short, practically where I took profit at. So let's see. I do think it's looking like it's trending down right now. For now, I'm in short at 813. Hopefully I don't regret that. 5-minute time frame is still trending up. I shorted off the 1,000 tick chart, so let's see if that's more real than this 5-minute.
We all know the superior chart is that tick chart.
Yeah. I probably could have waited for a better entry at that 25 area. That would have been a nice 20,
Honestly, I think
I was gonna say, yeah, 25, 30 area. Yeah.
well, the EMA just crossed on the 1,000 tick chart. So I mean, here's the thing about the smaller time frame charts and why they're so valuable. Yeah, it's kind of being impatient, kind of sucks. But if price is above all the EMAs, all the EMAs and VWAP, but it is in a downtrend, it will chop until price gets underneath all the EMAs in VWAP, unless we get like a big move down, where it forces price to get underneath all the EMAs, and then it finds its way back and then sells off the EMAs, especially the 21 in VWAP.
So here's what I'm thinking. I'm looking at the highest time frame chart that we got, right? And I was looking at this last night on the daily. Was it daily? Yeah, I think it was daily. We could see a potential double top on these higher time frames. So the bulls make their money, they run it up, push it higher. We get to, like, Kellen called out, 860. I could see that 860 area, between 860, 870, and then drop off that double top. Maybe that could be new. Let me go ahead and draw that out. This could be an area of supply. I'm calling between 860 and about 880-ish. That could be an area, potential area of supply, or we can get it here at these highs, maybe 850. Maybe it doesn't make it all the way up there, and we sell off it around in the 850s. I'm trying to check the liquidity, see what we got. I think that was the only news that should affect us today. Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that down. There's heavy liquidity up here. I think I want to scale into this. Let me see. Let me look at it. Maybe I'll scale in at 40. I'll scale in at 40 if we make it to 40. So up to 5 minutes.
Well, I mean, if we get to 40, we might just get to 50.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 15-minute now. Yeah, it's looking sketch. Every time you think it's gonna go down and touch VWAP, for me, when I think that, it like always misses it by a few points and then goes back and touches it later. For I don't know. Yeah, it might be 50s might be the better. If it does, but yeah, we'll see. Just got that cross on the lower. EMA down. Let's see. We're gonna add here. Double top on the lower time frame. Let's look at the 5 minute. We're getting a negative candle here.
Alright, with the green cane.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in 2. New break even of 819. I'm probably thinking of something else back in the day. I think I'm thinking of 619, 620. Yeah, from a couple days ago. Being a whoa, what was that? Whoa.
I remember the algo's coming.
Y'all see? Oh.
Hold on, we had PMI before 9?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh. The algo.
Algo is coming. The algo is coming. The algo is coming.
Yeah, I don't know. That 1 day pass kind of works in my favor for what I was going to do. I was already going to get some more Apex accounts. But so yeah, I do miss their 90% off days. I was like, what's Apex doing? It's either 80 or 90. I'm like, what are you doing with like 71? Like, who chose that number Like now you trying to be like
Yeah.
Bullinox or whatever that other prop firm. They always do like 70% off. Okay,
You
we got
can't change it up, Apex. You can't
yeah.
change it up. We're used to 80 and 90, god dang it.
Yeah, yeah, 80, 90. Like, what are you doing? And they're like, excuse me. They're probably like, oh, we're processing too many payouts. They took $80 million from us this year or whatever. Like, we gotta find a way to deter these degenerate gamblers.
Like they're adapting.
Yeah. They know.
Finding ways to game the systems.
They're on to us. Imagine, bro, I was looking at this last night, running the numbers. If I had 20 accounts and I was up $35,000 like I started out today in each account, bro, that would have been almost $1 million. Close to it. It would have been 700K, almost 720. I was like, yo, the power of these 20 accounts. But I'm like, that's a lot. That's a lot to a lot of pressure. If you like start to think of, that's why I try not to think about even the whole copy trading thing. I just trading it like this is one account and I just trade. I try to just trade.
Yeah. That's I'm not gonna lie. That's the one part of the human experience that I just absolutely hate. Fear will lead you to do exactly what you fear to do.
Yep.
Like it is just crazy that we have such an emotion.
It's meant to protect us. Yeah. Meant to protect us. No, not a 80. Matty Matt, not a single $80 million payout. Just overall in total payouts for Apex. They said they hit they're like approaching 80 million in payouts or something like that. I mean, I believe it. They're as crazy as Apex is. They're the most popular firm right now. They got the reins. They've beaten out Top Step. Top Step is older, and I like their payout. I mean, payout structure is okay. It's not perfect, but I think it's better than Apex's because you could potentially make money every week, get a payout every week. You know, if you have green weeks.
Yeah.
Apex, you got to treat it more as like almost like a 9 to 5, getting paid every 2 weeks, and I don't really like that.
Yeah.
You trade to get away from that type of structure, that 9 to 5 structure.
Yeah. Hopefully these prop firms. Well, that's why. Well, I don't want to think about stuff like that. These prop firms are making. They'll survive.
Yeah.
I like getting payouts. I mean, like just that extra money.
The algo. Oh, the algo. I didn't mean to cut you off. That algo came in. It's about to wreck some people right now. People are about to get wrecked. Look at
what it is. See, this is why this is why I'm putting in my practice accounts thing. I'm not dealing with any of this.
Padding their stats,
I am not dealing with any of this craziness today, man. Like it's like the last couple of days, no one doesn't know what they want to do. They don't know if everybody is too high to buy. Everybody is too scared to sell because the bears have just been getting bent over the entire year, man.
Yeah.
And last year, bears just had to take it.
they've been taking it raw lately. These bears, they take it to the chin though. Yeah, they take it to the chin, I guess. I mean, no, they're always crying in the forums and Reddits and stuff. But it's like
when will you bears learn?
But when the bears eat, the bears be eaten, right? Because I'm a bear at heart. For those of you, I mean, so when I was looking at my stats on Ninja Trader, when I used to trade primarily with Ninja Trader, my my short win rate percentage on all my shorts was like 90%, and then my long percentage was like, I think it was like 30 or 40, but I barely took longs, so that was the thing. I always look for shorts for some reason. I don't know why, except for 2020 when the pump was happening. Of course, I was buying all the longs on the dips, but I'm a bear at heart. It doesn't necessarily pain me to go long, but because trust me, everybody can eat. It's enough money in this market for everyone to eat. It's just your timing and your entries. That's it. That's the key. So my timing on this may be off. I'm in short. I'm in 2. I scaled to 2. Yeah, we're just waiting to see how this plays out. That algo did come in, pump and dump, but it might have just ran all that liquidity, and they might try to take it higher. It's still an uptrend on the 5-minute though. That kind of frightens me a little bit. 15-minute looking like it's gonna try to dump eventually. I don't know if now is the dump. It might try to run higher and then dump, grab some more liquidity. But
I'm gonna take this long on CL. I'm taking the phone.
CL, let's see. Which contract is that?
It's a February contract now.
So that's CL. What letter is it? H.
H. I think.
H.
I think.
Or is it G? I'm in CLG. And it's
actually, I really don't even know. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Yeah, it's G. It's G. Yeah, it's G.
Okay, so yeah, it's looking like consolidation to maybe go higher. I might be on the wrong side of this, y'all. Maybe.
You talk about on Nasdaq?
Yeah, on Nasdaq.
No.
Because I think they want to grab 850 liquidity, maybe 860 like Kellen mentioned. I might be on the wrong side of this. I'm probably gonna get out at break even though if I can get back to it. Yeah, I think I'm on the wrong side. Just looking at the 15. If I can get out at break even, I'll get out.
Okay, so we had a small double bottom at 806. That range at 806 level.
Mm-hmm.
It was a bullish pump, and then it started to range. So let me do this real quick. Let me do this.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we might get that 850. That's I don't understand. Well, if you're, I'm a hedge. I'm hedging my position. I mean, I'm not trading no different. I'm a hedge my position. Let me see. Yeah, I can see it.
They might
probably
try
like 52.
They might try to shoot
52?
for 60, but that could be overshooting it right now. Yeah, why is today sucking right now?
OPEC. Ain't nobody trying to get their real money taken away by OPEC right now.
They should be closing
You're
positions.
gonna probably, and then next week we have I think it's the next week. It's closer to the holidays next week.
Oh, holidays. Yeah, we got one full week.
Yeah, next week
is our last full week before the holiday. Yeah. Or do they cancel or do they close the market on Friday the 22nd?
No, they know that they're starting to get that DJ money. They know they ain't gonna close the market because it won't happen. But no, I think I think the markets do open on the 24th. I think
that's a Sunday though. I ain't touching that. Like what?
Oh, no, I was talking about like the holiday hours.
Oh, for like a half day. Yeah, I'm probably
like a half
no.
day.
We did that before. I'm not touching that again. Yeah.
Hey, the market ran up on all the holidays that he's like, oh, I'm not trading the holidays, and that's probably why it ran up. There was nobody to short it. So you can't run it up.
Yeah. Run it up.
Yeah, run it up. So I'm at my break even at 836. Like I said, I'm gonna hold this short, man. I'm holding it.
Okay, you're short. You're short 836. All right, I'm short. I got in a little bit late. I'm short 819. I might scale one more if. Well, I'm waiting and debating. Yeah, wreck the options. I'm all for it. Let's
Oh yeah. That is a good point. Yeah, we trade futures so much we forgot that OPEC is really for options.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, take out those expiries, them 0 DTEs.
Mm-hmm. 0 DTEs. You really got to be crazy to do. Wall Street bets in full effect. Okay, Bookmap. We showing heavy liquidity to the upside, so that's kind of promising. Hopefully that holds. And they don't break through it. What's the delta right now? Did he take it off the...
Oh crap, I did not look at that.
I think he took it off the... Matter of fact, where's my... Let me see something real quick, guys. Do I have access to that on here? Oh, I do.
What?
Why is that not on my chart? Get over here. I'm adding cumulative delta on my chart, everyone. I used to use this like legitimately. So the cumulative delta basically is the indication of the volume coming in, how many people are buying, like, yeah, the buy and sell, buyers and sellers, buy volume, sell volume, like major
Okay.
levels of
All
buying
right.
and
So
selling.
now my short is oh, I apologize. Go ahead.
No, I'm done.
All right. So cumulative delta, I like to use gamma, and the gamma is all red. SPY is in negative gamma right now.
Oh, SPY, what was somebody had calls, so somebody rolled their calls from, it was in the 460s to like 472, and they rolled it over to January 12th expiry for SPY, and it was big money, I think. I was looking at that, somebody posted that last night, and I'm like, oh shoot. So you're rolling your calls over here, so you thinking obviously the market's gonna go up. Let me see. Like I said, we might be a little too early on the short. I do think
so.
I do think it'll hit. I mean, look at all this liquidity at 850 that just came in. 190. It's 100 and yeah. Oh, and then they just took it.
They just closed it off.
They're taking. What do they do? They playing right now. It was 195 orders sitting at 150 ready to sell, and they keep taking it off. But the heat up top is real. Let's see us get back to point of control. Point of control on Bookmap is below. It's like right at 800. That would be nice. Point of control on my trading view chart is like 806. And like I said, we may be too early on this move here. For now. Let's see. Got liquidity of 45. Did they bring the orders back at 50? No. No.
Yeah, the Bears ain't trying to be clapped. Not again.
Not again. We're approaching.
We need a rest.
We need to ease up on the pain. They need a break. So we need a break. Could be potential double top though, especially on 1,000 tick. Boom, down, boom, 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 down. We pretty much hit back right at the high, and look at the drop. We just dropped like, what, 10, 12, 13 points. So you should be a few points in. Let's see. I could have added here near the top, but I don't know. We're gonna prepare. We might prepare if we get a heavy volume push down to like VWAP 800, and I can see a bounce from there, because 800 on Bookmap, or just below 800 is point of control. VWAP on Bookmap, and then VWAP is sitting at 800. We could see that heavy push down. Let's see if we get enough volume from these bears to take it, or if this is actually like a neutral, like mini support zone on the 1,000 tick right here. You see the sellers couldn't take it down further than this area, right where my entry is, unfortunately. So let's see. Okay, we're getting the push. We sat through it. We were patient. Let's see if we can get down to VWAP. I'm gonna put that there, and I'm also going to, I want to see another volume push down before we let's put that just below. Let's put that at 98. Let's see. Let us see, everyone. Let's see. Okay, on the 5 minute, we got a 20 point, practically a 20 point candle to the downside. Just bounced off point of control on the 5-minute chart. 15-minute, I don't know. I can't really call it on the 15-minute right now. We do got 3 wicks on the upside on 15-minute. But let's see. I might have to adjust here. Adjust the strategy. Maybe add one more there. But I want to be ready to go heavy though. So I'm in 2, that'd be 3, maybe 4. Let's see. 35. Looks like, oh man, looks like clear skies on the, all that heat above went away. All that heat above went away on Bookmap. It looks like it's coming back in around 40 area. So let's see, but they could push that. That could be the push, and they're setting up buy liquidity at 820. Dang, that's probably been my chance. That was probably my chance. So if they break 40, I could see potential to 50. Let's look at the 845 heavy liquidity.
When did they just did that bounce?
Liquidity.
Yeah, they bounced off of value area high. Yeah. See, they bounced at that 806 level again.
They just
806 has been support.
Yeah, 806 it was a previous high before the like I said, when Powell was speaking, it dumped at 806, and that was the previous high until that end of day rally back to the top. We got 850. Why is it disconnected? Alright, CL. Yeah, when CL gets the red, NQs usually get the green. So I like seeing CL in the green and NQ in the red when I'm short.
Well, I just went long on CL. Let's see. I went long at 71.27. Let's see if we get a bounce here.
I'm not paying attention to her right now. I'm not even gonna look her directly.
I mean, honestly, you know what? I'm actually gonna close this out because I'm already out of this position already. It's just too slow for me. I'm closing this out. Yeah, I'm gonna just close this one out. I'm not playing this one.
So that's 1,000 tick. Let me check the 5-minute. 5-minute. This is still in an uptrend, y'all. Like, look at. I mean, that's a huge wick. Obviously, if we close, how much time we got? We got. Yeah, I think this wick is gonna get filled down here, at least down to 800. I do. That has to get filled down with the next few candles, because that's crazy. But let's see.
Yeah. So, based on the market structure,
it might be too.
This would have to go back down to 820 and pump if this goes higher.
Yeah, and that's right at my break even. That's my break. I want to see it go down to 800 VWAP and point of control on Bookmap before like a real pump. That's what I want to see. But look at this. 20 minutes in. I do think the dump is coming soon, y'all. Like I said, I'm just too early to the party. I think I'm too early to the party right now because this isn't an uptrend. If you can clearly see, we had our big drops, but yes, uptrend. I want to see. Excuse me. I want to see a drop. I got my order limit at 850. It did not fill. Okay, it did not fill still by a tick. Got the liquidity. Okay, ran liquidity. Let's see if we get a drop.
I think it dumps right here.
Let's see.
I think it dumps right here.
Let's see. This is straight moon behavior right here. Slow grind moon behavior. Look at that uptrend on the 5-minute. Take that off. 829 new entry now. I mean, that's better, but let's see. 5-minute. Yeah, I think the buyers get exhausted somewhere up here, and the sellers come in on a push.
Yeah, I think this is good. There's no way that it's touching them highs at 70. There's no way.
Ivan, you want that? You really want that 590 level? 590 though? We're woo. I mean, it can be obviously it can happen. 590 is whew, all the way. That would be almost a 300% move on my charts here, man. From pre-market highs to the pre-market low fib. Yeah. I don't know if people clearing their positions that much like that. I don't know. But I'm short in an obvious uptrend on the 5 minute. But I think we get exhausted up here. Kellen called 860. We hit 55 so far. That was a nice call on his part. I'm just waiting for the pullback. Maybe the potential dump. Rinko says I'm gambling. I mean, I don't think so. I don't think this is a super gamble. I don't think it's too much to ask for, but we'll see. We'll see. But it is Friday. Markets usually like to pump on Fridays. I'm not looking for. I'm not looking for. What was I about to say? I'm not looking for a major dump per se, just a healthy pullback. Maybe get that pullback to 806 area. Let's see. Look at book map. We got heat. Heat up at 865 through 860. Let's see if there's 860 order block. Let's see if they push this down or if the bulls remain in control. What's up?
Good thing I got out that long.
You know I'm still in it. Oh, you talking about CL?
No. Yeah. Good thing I got out of it. Yeah, I think my new target or my new entry is going to be at 70.80. I was like, I didn't get that bullish reaction at that level, so I was like, let me just get out of it. I didn't like what I saw. So I'm going to see what happens at 70.82 or 70.85.
Mm-hmm.
If you get a push at 7.85, then I'll try to get an entry there. But if you wanted to go short, CL was the one. Because, dang, she just dropped. And this is what I hate. She only dropped a dollar and.
Look at the CL chart. That's a beautiful. Oh, that short was been beautiful pre-market though. Oh my gosh. Let me get off that. Let me get off that chart. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I just hate when CL like when you trade NQ, like your imagination runs wild, and then you try to go back to CL with all that toxicity. It's like, oh, she's gonna do this, and then when she finally does it, it's like, oh shit, it's the same old shit.
Yeah. Oh, y'all don't worry about this position. If it gets, sometimes you gotta sit through a little bit drawdown. Like I said, I was probably too early on the, well, not probably, obviously too early on the entry here. I could see it getting at least down to my break even, my new break even, potentially. We'll see. This is like straight up though, straight up. Let's look at the other time frames and see. This is not this risk is nothing. This is light work risk for me. Now, if I was in over 5 cons, I'd be like, yeah, I'd be scared. I probably would have been got out. We got a 850 block. Block at 850. Let's see if it gets run through.
Yeah, I think this is what we're consolidated right now.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I'm looking. Okay, so at the volume, I mean, we got 200K contracts right now. We got 250K. It's still not a lot, but usually we're around like 300 to 300 plus at this time.
Mm-hmm.
Because London hasn't closed yet.
Look at the delta though. The delta, cumulative delta is flat right now. We had our previous, obviously, bullish delta. It's flat. I think it's flat to turn to go red and start dropping a little bit. and we may get that push down on this negative delta, but buyers are still coming in buying freaking Nvidia, Amazon, Apple. Sell Meta, sell Apple. That's the heaviest weighted stock in there. Apple's running things. Sell Apple.
Yeah, I mean, it's true. You got a company that's in not only the NASDAQ, but the ES. I mean, Apple's in everything.
Yeah, it is.
Is Apple in Dow? I don't think Apple's in Dow. Is Apple in Dow?
I don't know. Is Apple in the Dow? Let's see, 865, 860. Liquidity zones there. 65 came heavy. 65 came heavy liquidity. Let's see what happens. But the buyers are holding this. They're holding. They would probably try to protect 850 and hold this.
Hold on, what?
See if we get a.
Hold on, did I just get out? Hold on, what happened?
Uptrend. We were calling for this area here for the shorts, but let's see. We're down 700 right now. From the profit.
That's really nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, from the profits we took earlier. Was that I should have bagged that 50-pointer on the one coin. That was a beautiful clean. We got in one here. Was up 50 points here. Got in long at VWAP. VWAP held, stood true. VWAP bounce, and yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I'm still in this long. I'm still in this short from earlier. Like my average entry is still at 36. I took all that. Or 39. I apologize. 39.
All right, I'm 10 points below you, so I'm at 29. I mean, I'm taking the drawdown. I'm taking it. You gotta take your beatings to the chin. Yeah, you gotta take the lumps. I'm taking them. Y'all gotta have faith have faith in the positions, guys. Like, relax. I know it's a lot of risk for some people. That's why I said 90% of traders should not trade like me, because I put on. My risk tolerance is higher than most. For some reason, like I will sit. You saw me hit a daily loss limit, but let's see how it plays out. I'm not saying that this is gonna drop and whatever, but I want to see a retest, at least maybe 806, 800 level. That is, well, point of control has now moved up to 25 on Bookmap, 825. My point of control on TradingView is 808. With a potential, I could see 815 maybe play out, because that's like the top of the previous resistance, could be turned as a support. But let's see. This is in an uptrend though. It's uptrend on the 5-minute, major uptrend on 5-minute. Like I said, I could be too early to the party for the dump, and that's usually what happens. Too early to the party. I've had like, we've caught over, what's the most points I caught? This was obviously before I started streaming, but I caught like over 100 and something points a few times. And I usually catch, when I'm not scalping heavier size positions, I usually do less points, more size, to take advantage of the volume push moves or whatever. But when I'm doing like I've caught over, usually catch like 50 points minimum when I'm in light, obviously, and then when I go light, I'll catch a lot of points, 40, 50 points, but then when I decide to go heavy at a specific area, I'm only catching like maybe 10, 12 points or so. But we'll see.
Yeah, that's
like
all you need. You got all you need, honestly.
Like I said, my tolerance is higher than most. But the volume push is coming in here. We got a block at 860, a block at 862. Where's let's see. Let me look at a higher time frame. Where is I said we had to be careful of this area for the bulls. This is trending straight up though. Straight up. 859. Looks like 860 is the key level for the bulls to conquer. Key level for bulls to conquer. My break even on this higher time frame is sitting at the 9 EMA. Let's look at this one. Is this the double top though? We're approaching into this zone here. This zone I drew. I probably should be a little lower. Let's see, put that from right there and then raise that. Actually, let's move it back. Move that back up. Raise the or lower this down.
Yeah.
54.
Oh crap! I just saw that.
54. Yeah, let's see this zone. Let's see this zone. So they ran through that 60 block and it didn't really, but they put another one at 62. They're running through these blocks like they're grinding these order blocks up. But I'm getting the signal on my 15-minute chart for a ceiling, potential ceiling. Let's see. Potential double top on here. Potential. Everything's potential, right? Because this mess could keep shooting up to the moon. And then at that point, shoot, I'm about to reverse the position. Go long. And then as soon as I go long, it dumps, right? He's in there. He's in long. He changed up. Dump it. Alright, we just got the new highs, 866. Let's see.
So let me look, cause I mean this is just a grind up, like
slow grind up. Yep.
Slow grind up. So I did kind of scale in with this. My new average point of entry now is 848. 848. I mean, do we double top? I mean, that's weird. Like, did we double top at 78? I mean, I guess.
I don't know.
Well, I guess, dude. That's.
You gonna sit through that 20, 30 points?
My stop is at 7. It's a 20-point stop.
Look at this volume push.
27-point stop.
Look at this volume push. Volume push. So we got.
My stop is at 75. My stop's at 75.
Stops at 75.
But I see the double top at 76.
I see it at
the high is at 84.
I see it at 80.
So this is what I'll do. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it at 892. I'm just gonna hedge this, and if it continues to go higher,
50.
you know, because you know that the Nasdaq likes to be the bitch that she is.
Maybe we collect. Yeah, maybe we collect liquidity and stair step up, elevator down.
That's definitely a possibility, man. Because it's just been grinding up, man. So you can see that.
It's grinding up.
When you see chopper, that's usually when the bears are trying to sell it. The bears are selling this.
Obviously, if you're a bull, you're making that bread right now. So congrats to the bulls on this stair step up. Like,
man, it's hard to be a bull in that, man. That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
It's hard out here in these bull streets.
It's hard.
When the bears want to short it.
When the bears want to short, but they're too scared.
Dang, dude, look at my CL long. Oh, I love that.
What? Did it go?
Of course it did.
Man.
I mean, CL is so technical, man. Like, dude, it's like you really can't go wrong with CL. You just have to be patient for her bullshit. Dedication. She takes her time, but
yeah,
she takes her time.
Yeah.
So I got in. My limit was set at 70, 85. I only took 20 points of drawdown from that, and I'm already up Yeah, I guess I should have paid attention to that because it was equal lows. They took liquidity out. PL loves your stop. He loves those goddamn things. I should have paid attention to that. But I only took a 20 points in drawdown. But now price, I got in at 85. Price is now at 71.54. So that's like what almost 100 point, almost. So 71.54 minus 70.85. So it's a 69 push-up. So I'm up 69 points. Only $690 on one contract. Which this is why I don't like trading. All that just to make $690. That's nothing for NQ. That's really nothing for her.
We're up 104 points on the day so far on NQ. This daily chart, man. I wonder if it's like a day too early for this. It's probably gonna be short day or Monday. Gonna be in the red.
Yeah.
I could see a Monday red day. I'm looking at the daily on TradingView. It's like right there. Let's see what happens though. Let's just see. I like waiting and seeing. If I reverse now, this is buying the top. It would close my stuff here, go in long here. I mean, like I said, I don't know.
Hedge. I mean, you can hedge your position. You can hedge it.
Yeah, I could.
You won't. I mean, go like usually when I hedge, I usually have a 9-point stop, 20-point target. I usually, if I see it come back, you know, I'll try to trail it as much as possible. But
why is ES like all the way up here? Look how far I had to go for ES. Where is ES at? They said he approves the buy the top. I bet.
Buy the top. Oh, man, I've seen something.
What happened?
God damn it, dude.
What? Oh, this is the wrong contract. That's why I'm tripping. ES.
This might be going higher. Ah, man.
Oh.
You know my stubbornness is. I'm not gonna get out of it. I'm not getting out.
We're blind to the truth. Oh yeah, look at ES. Look at ES crossing. The daily. You fooled me.
I mean, I'm gonna let my stop do what it does. Now, I'm saying it. I'm gonna be stubborn. I did just see something I did not like. I did see something I did not like. A break of structure. A break of structure. If you look, damn. If you look at 924, that leg that started at 835, it pushed from 835 and it broke structure. And it's gonna come and retest this fucking area. Hopefully the Bulls miss this one, but I'm not going. I'm staying short, man.
That's your break even though, right? If at the retest, potentially.
Yeah, that's what I said. I'm not getting out.
You got a better position than me. Yeah, look at that grind, slow grind up. We had this dip down. I wanted to see them feel this though. All the way, that might have been the bounce though, because I spoke about 806. And it bounced at like 808, 809. But do we get a drop? Yeah, I mean it's risky. Like I said, it is risky. Risky business right now. We are risky business. Does this tip over or does this stall out here and they hold 850? They hold 850.
Well, here's what I do because I'm being stubborn. I know I am. I'll just move my stop down to 885 or 86. If it touches 86, then I'm out of this position. It's a 20-point move against me. That's a $1,000 loss.
19, 22. 14.
Yeah, it's that obvious break of structure right there. And it looks like the Bulls have retested and they're trying to buy off this retest.
Yeah, they're going to have to hold 850, though. Bulls are going to have to hold strong 850. And now we play the waiting game. Wait and see.
Yeah.
See if they
Let's
hold
see.
850.
Yeah, if they hold 850, then yeah, we on the wrong side of it.
Yeah, if they so all right, y'all. If they hold 850, I will close my position. If they hold 850, I will close my position. But if we get a close below 850, oh, I'm gonna let it ride, baby. I'm gonna let it ride.
Yeah. The risk managers in the chat ain't gonna peer pressure you out of that one. The risk managers in the chat.
Looks like they want to try to hold 850. You sons of. We got liquidity at. Oh, they pushed the liquidity down though. Maybe that's a good sign potentially. They pushed it down to 45. There's still a few sitting at 50. Oh, there they go. There they go. Was that the hold there? Yeah, because they dipped to 51 or 52. No, the 5-minute was looking promising. Let me check the 15. 15 has not tipped over just yet.
I just seen something else, man.
What happened?
Something else I don't like. All 4 time frames is in a positive trend upward.
Yeah, the deltas.
I'm still gonna be stubborn. I'm not getting out. I don't care about the truth.
Yeah, we don't care.
About
The world don't care about the truth. We just want to be told a story, right? Y'all watching our story right now.
We can't handle the truth. We want to be lied to. And I'm going to stay in my story. I'm not getting it, bro. I'm gonna be stubborn.
Why are we so stubborn?
The risk managers in the chat can't say nothing to us.
Why are we so stubborn? Like, watch it break 70. I get out, and then they're like, he's out. Unleash it. Push the button. Dump it. Remember yesterday I got out on that, I was like, yo, I'm thinking this is gonna go short. I think it's gonna go short. I get out, like, I don't know how many minutes later, and obviously it was after, it's probably like 15, 20 minutes later, and then boom, that mess dumped. The most epic dump, the one I was looking for, I was hoping for, praying for on the stream. It didn't happen during my time frame. And then, yeah, I come back, look at it later, and I'm just like, man, y'all are some sorry SOBs for that. My timing was just off. 7:28.
Wow.
7:28. Dang, they just ate that up. Bulls just ate that up. What y'all? I mean, it is Friday. I should have halfway expected this. I should have halfway expected this and not tried to short this nonsense. Let's see.
So, off-topic news. I think this is funny. Something that I just came across on Twitter. But Miley Cyrus and Lady Gaga, 2 pop stars, they said that they would leave the United States if Donald Trump becomes president in 2024.
How many of them said that last time? And they were all still here.
Yeah, you're still here, dude. Like, nobody wants to hear that.
No.
Like, Miley Cyrus and Lady Gaga? Really?
Bye.
Life is good for them, so they don't care about everybody else struggling to pay for groceries and gas.
Right. Yeah.
We can't afford nothing, but we just hate Donald Trump that much. Like, dude, get over that. Get over it.
That is pretty funny. 850s key level I'm looking at. They got liquidity sitting above 50, 55. This is that slow, man. This is one of them slow grind up Fridays. I've seen this. I've seen this story before. I've seen this before, and I'm being so stubborn, going against it. I've seen this before.
I mean, let it play out, man.
That's slow. I mean, I'm already fully vested. Well, not fully. I could be heavier size, but I'm not doing that. I'm only in 3.
Yeah. But that's all. It's like, man, look, today is just not regular price action today. They're balancing their books today. We expected this. We talked about this in the pre-market before the stream started. We knew this was going to happen.
Yeah. No.
None of this price action makes sense right now.
Andrew, I'm copy trading, so I'm only in three contracts. It says 9. That's the total. The total between all accounts. So if you look here to the left, you see down here. Look at my break-even line at 829 and look left on the chart. It says -3. I'm only in 3 contracts. But since Tradeovate has this weird copy trading system where you have to enter. Since I got 3 accounts, you got to enter 3 in your lot size to equal 1 per account. Yeah, I'm only in 3. To some, that's a lot. That's heavy. But for me, I mean, I can hopefully survive this and we get the dump. But I've seen this story before though. This slow grind up Friday, and I fought. Remember? You don't remember? I fought against it, and you're like, dude, why would you short this? It was how many? I can't remember when. It was a few months ago, something like that, and I was just fighting that. It was a slow grind up Friday, and the market moved like 200 and something points. It was just nuts. And
all them games.
Yeah, and I didn't get. I was being stubborn again. I'm like, no, the market's gonna short, because I wanted it to go short. Yeah, this is I hope this is not that same story. I hope it's not that same story, but I've seen this before. The bracket orders, I believe so. So I think it can do brackets. I have the bracket set here: a 30-point take profit and a 15-point stop loss. You can do it. Yeah, you just have to make sure your contract matches however many accounts you have. And I think I showed, since I got time, since I'm stuck in this trade, I'm in NQ jail.
All right, let's see. This might be it. We're underneath the 21. We closed underneath the 21. We're at the 50 right now.
Is my patience about to pay off? Well, anyway, I'm still stuck in jail, so I have time. I could show y'all how to. If whoever out there that uses Tradeovate, let me. It's not working in group trading and Tradeovate. Oh, okay. So I guess, that answers your question. I never tried it. The bracket orders. I was always usually just trade off the charts when I'm copy trading. So, but to set what's up?
Not to interrupt you. I just seen something crazy on Twitter, and I want to know what the risk managers in the chat think about it. They're saying that right now they are reporting that former President Obama's birth certificate was fake.
Oh, they've been
saying that Obama's presidency was. No, they're actually on the news with this right now.
Oh.
And they're saying that they have discovered 9 points of forgery on the document. That is on Fox 10. That is crazy.
Yeah, Fox.
That's crazy. It don't matter.
Yeah, it's not like it matters now. A little bit too late, but they've been talking about. Oh, he's not from here. Blah, 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 blah. He wasn't not even a U.S. citizen. Blah
but
blah. Blah.
I guess the question now is like, well, if it has been quote unquote proven that Barack Obama's certificate was fake, and we had a someone that wasn't a resident of the United States as president, what does that mean?
Yeah, that just that means the government was, I don't know. Let me chill.
That's great.
I'm chill on that. We'll talk offline for that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But oh yeah. Go ahead.
I know. I was going to say that. I was like, well, obviously we don't.
Oh.
We don't want no one to feel that we're political here. It's just interesting information that could potentially manipulate the market.
Yeah, that's true. I just spilled my freaking
That's the only
coffee.
reason why I follow politics. I like to follow the market.
Spilt my dang coffee. Yeah, that political stuff plays a role in it. Especially, like you said, you've been mentioning, we coming up on election year. Um,
Yeah.
I thought my
So
coffee
I
was
highly
empty.
doubt that we really run up higher past all-time highs until we know who the new or remain or the current president is going to be January 1st, 2025. So
Biden's not getting that mess. He needs to sit down somewhere. Dude he barely knows where he is half the time. He needs to sit down. I'm gonna just say that. I
and
will
what's
say
crazy, he's still the president. That's crazy.
that.
That's crazy. Got somebody they call the White House the resident. The resident. Not the president, but the resident. That's funny.
The old folks home. Anyway, I was about to say, since I'm still stuck in this jail position, to set up the copy trading, you just go to your account tab, go to manage groups, and then let's get this out of the way. You can name it, give it a name your group, and then all of your accounts will be sitting here on the left side. You just drag them over to the right, right here. You just drag them over, and then yeah, all these accounts will be ready to copy trade. And then I keep the quantity at 1, so it's 1 a piece. So I entered 3 to get 1 per account. So the market's giving me a chance to get out. What if it dumps? What if it dumps? I take a L for no reason, and it dumps down. I can see crashing maybe the VWAP. That's that equal low that we had, that 808, 806 area. I'm looking at my other charts too, y'all. Like, it's looking. I'm liking the 5 minute, the way the 5 minutes looking. I can't. So here's what I'm looking at. I can't see a potential drop to point of control on trading view. Let me check bookmap. So you gotta check all these things, right? Point of control moved up on bookmap, but that it just does that automatically. Well, it does it on trading view as well, but my point of control on trading view still been in the same spot, and that's this resistance level in the pre-market turned into support. I can see it getting back down there to point of control, and that's around 808, 809, maybe 810 area. Within that range, somewhere within that range. So we'll see. We'll see, guys.
I think so.
Not
I think
saying.
this will pop up. Oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I know. I've seen that we were getting a little pump action right here. I mean, if you look at this structure, we double top. It broke structure right there. That leg from where's that leg at? So from 866, we broke that structure at 851, and I feel like this is the breaker structure to retest to go lower.
Yeah, you did call that on stream a couple days. Like, that has been one of the things: break structure, retest, and then boom. We'll see how it plays out. This is still looking like a 5 minute was making me a little happy. Now I'm kind of sad because it's or is this the double top on the 5 minute though? I don't know. We'll see. Right back up there.
Yeah.
We got a 16-point sell-off on the 15 at 9:30, and then just to run right back up to that area, basically. That's crazy. You see how easy it was too, how much work the Bears had to do to get it down to break the structure, and then an easy run up for the Bulls. They're like, man, what are y'all doing? Go sit down.
I'm pretty sure the Bears just probably took their profits at that previous low. That's probably what they did.
Yeah. But could this be a triple top on the 1,000 tick? That would be crazy.
What happened yesterday?
Boom. Did we get a triple top?
No, we got a fake triple bond.
Fake triple bond. Oh, yesterday. Oh, you're right. We did, and it just kept running. Let's see. Liquidity up at these levels. I think that liquidity is okay. So we just had 1, 2. We're in the triple top on 1,000 tick currently. Let's see if these sellers take control. Take your profits, Bulls. Let the Bears come in and eat.
Or the Bears to get out of their position.
Yeah, baby, come back. You could blame it all
you know
on
the thing.
me.
Balance off my gang break even.
I was about to say, yeah, you had a little bit of profit, didn't you? You're short from 48. Bears, we hungry, man. Exactly, Jeremy. Exactly. Bulls, y'all ate. Y'all had a good meal. This was good. Y'all ate. Look at this. How many points? Let's measure this move. Y'all ate, Bulls. Give the Bears a chance to eat. Give the Bears a chance. I'm in my feelings. I'm being stubborn. This is me being stubborn on this position. Let's see. 80 points, 87, almost 90 points, man. Y'all ate. Y'all had a full course meal, dessert, and everything. Let the Bears eat. Bro, if we drop back down a golden fib, look how we hit there twice. Boom, boom. I mean, obviously that's pre-market, but that would be a sight to see. You could blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even.
I just want to break even, baby.
I just want to break.
I just want to break even.
You gotta sing to her. You gotta talk to her nice sometimes. You know, we be trashing her name. Sometimes when you talk nice to her, she comes back and gives you a second chance, and a third chance, and a fourth chance.
You say, you know, I need all the chances. You know, I need all the chances to change.
But sometimes you gotta curse her out. You.
Call her the bitch that she is.
Oh, we got liquidity. Man, they're just taking it. They're just running through this liquidity. We saw this coming. We knew it. We're just being stubborn. Let me see.
I got 10 more points, dude. I got 10 more points.
What? Let me just say this. What if? Hear me out. Everybody hear me out. What if we're just taking all these orders and preparing for the epic dump? What if? I mean, it is Friday though, so we can't ignore that.
Baby, I sung to you, baby. I'm sorry that I
We sung and everything.
Yeah, and you gonna do that? I guess, she did tell us. We were on the wrong side.
Yeah. Stubborn though. Look at this slow grind up.
I have faith in my short though. I'm just a little bit too early to the party. That's it.
I don't. I'm losing faith. I'm losing faith.
I got 10 points, man. My stop is at 85. I got 10 points. I'm only on one contract. 20 points, 27, 20 point stop.
Well, that's good. That's smart.
Well, actually, it was at 27, but I did move it down to 85. My entry is at 48, so.
That's smart on your part, bro. If I survive this, hold through this, we get a dump down, break even. We will talk about this in the recap. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I gotta play the waiting game till probably 11 o'clock.
Yeah, if I trade NQ the same way I trade CL, I probably would take no drawdown. But NQ moves so much, like before it makes its real move, it presents so many opportunities in the middle.
Yeah.
It presents so much, like in that block between 842 and 911. Like if you played the range all the way from the top at double bottom, what was that? From 806 all the way up to 836. That was a 30-point move. That's $700 on one contract. 720 on one contract, and then it did all this again. And then if you got back in at this from 816 all the way to retest the high 816, that was another 30-point move right there. So all this opportunity to make money in NQ. But
however, if I just kept my original long, all and held from 5 minutes after open, I'd be sitting
But
sitting pretty
dude,
right
who
now.
would have? Like this is why we have trust issues.
Yeah.
Well, we keep have to remind ourselves it is OPEC, so we're gonna get the crazy price action. They have to rebalance their book, but no one would have thought it was gonna do all this.
I mean, I've seen this story before, but I mentioned last night, I said I could see a pump up and then a dump. Hear me out. So it's Friday, options expiring. People are gonna close positions. People are gonna probably we're at highs on the day, so people are probably gonna close out and take their profits, right? You think you're gonna hold over the weekend? I mean, I didn't really, when I was in options, I didn't really hold positions over the weekend. If I'm swing trading, I'm starting off. I'm looking at the levels. If I'm swing trading, I'm starting off Monday, unless my expiries are like a couple weeks out. But if I'm doing weeklies, I'm starting Monday. I'm closing probably, most definitely before Friday, unless the position is just like so far in the money. But yeah, I don't. We'll see. Because I spoke about this last night when I was looking at it. Because I was looking at the daily chart. I'm like, I could see these scenarios playing out. I could see a pump. I said that in last night's recap. I said I could see this pump, but I could also see a dump. So we'll see. Like I said, I'm stuck in jail. I'm stuck in NQ jail right now.
Honestly, it looks like it's selling off right here. It touched that liquidity. I think this is it right here.
Yeah.
Because now we have the 21 and the 50 crossing each other. Yeah, I think this is it.
Yeah.
Or at least I want it to be.
Yeah, I was just gonna respond to Kellen. Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not a great trade. Like as far as my entries and stuff. Yeah, not at all. This was a great trade. This long here right at VWAP at the time. If I would have just added heavy size onto that would have been beautiful. I would have caught like, how many points is that? From 780, almost 100 points.
Wow, yeah. That was definitely damn. Yeah, look at CL, dude. They just made. See, I guess CL kind of gave opportunity today too.
Yeah, CL. Oh yeah, I'm looking at CL chart on TradingView here. It gave. That's the price action I miss, because you could have made money selling this off. In the pre-market, wait until the open, and then catching this long here. Yeah, you could have made money in CL. That's the type of, but I wasn't paying her no attention. See, I was too focused on NQ. I gotta look.
A better opportunity.
Yeah, CL is like and then it just bounced off this 9 EMA on the higher time frame. Hurting discipline. Yeah. I mean, I come up with two scenarios, usually pre-market, just so I can gauge to see what plays out, what potentially could play out during the New York Open or the New York Cash session. Because I say that I don't want to be biased towards one way or the other, but deep down, you have your bias. You have your but I said, I've seen this story before. I've seen this slow grind Friday, and that's why I'm stubborn, but I'm starting to lose faith in this. But I do think at some point we get a dump to clear all of that. When, I don't know, and it might get me back to break even, and I may just get out if I get back to break even. But we shall see, right? I'm stuck in jail. They want to protect 850.
There goes that breakdown of 850. There we go.
The Bulls want to protect it, but let's see. Yeah.
But VWAP in the 21, like Brandon.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a hard decision when price gets back down to your break even. You're gonna have a hard decision to make.
I know.
Because if price gets down to 820, 819, the 200 and VWAP is sitting right there.
Yeah. I know, but
Well, London is about to close in the next hour, so
they start selling off potentially.
probably closing their positions, yeah.
Yeah.
Closing their positions. The big money, if it's still in the market, going to lunch. I mean, obviously the big money's not in the market today because we have low liquidity. Let me see where we're at now. Right now, yeah, right now we're only okay. So now we're at the 300 volume, but London's about to close. We usually have 300 at the open, 300 plus, but for it to only be 300K at 10 o'clock, and then London's about to close in an hour. Yeah, that's not looking good.
Yeah.
I mean, even though it's chop, I mean, Bulls made money today. It's not like the market didn't. We just had to slow grind up.
Slow grind.
But mind you, the price literally bounced off of, and it was barely no pullback. It was literally no pullback. It bounced at 628 and pushed right back up, like 200 and almost 50 points, almost.
Market on the day so far is up 110 points, roughly.
So yeah. So the market rebounded 245 points last night from yesterday's lows up into today's highs so far. The market usually doesn't move past 250 points in one day. Usually. But we'll see if it keeps pushing up higher. We'll see. 250 is usually the cap for a day.
Are you talking about like in both directions or just in general?
Just in general, like if you look at the charts, if you backtest this, or because I've backtested it, the market doesn't usually move more than 250 points in one leg. This is one leg up. This is not like a leg up, a deep pullback, and another leg up. This is one big leg. The market usually doesn't do that. But like I said, it's OPEC, so we don't know what the market wants to do or how the big money's going to bounce.
It's just been riding these EMAs though. That sucks. More obviously I should get out, but I'm stubborn. I'm holding to see if we get a drop. But like I said, y'all, I've seen this story before so many times, and I've fought against it. I'm like 0-3 fighting against this. 0-3, maybe 0-4. Hopefully today, let's get my first W today on these Fridays. It's always a Friday, and it's always that slow grind up, or a pump straight up. We get a little retracement and then continue grinding up. And I'm always fighting it for whatever reason. Obviously, this candle here on the 5-minute enticed me. I'm gonna speak for myself. Enticed me to short because I thought, this huge run up, boom. But this actually just took those orders down. Then the bulls came right back in and bought this mess up. Same thing here. Looked like we were going down. They bought all of that back up. Crazy.
Okay. So just an update on SPY. The big money is writing calls right now. They are writing calls. Their strikes are at 485. There's one strike at 473. Yeah, so they got a strike at 473 and 485.
And SPY,
I don't think prices are in now at all.
SPY is down $1.90 right now, y'all. $1.95.
And it's a negative gamma right now.
Almost $2. About to be $2 down. Yeah, we just crossed $2 down on SPY.
There we go, baby. Keep on going. You
nah, don't get excited just yet. I mean, well, you could get excited. It's at your break even, pretty much. I'm not getting excited just yet.
Well, I was excited because it's it closed underneath the 50 and the 21. But like I said, you're going to have a decision to make because the 200 and VWAP is right at your break even. So.
Yeah.
I think what you should do right now is, what are you gonna do? You gonna let it ride, baby? You gonna let it ride?
Look at this volume
Or are you
that just
gonna get
came
out?
in. Look at this volume that just came in on the TickStrike, y'all. We hitting tens and above. We want to see tens and above, 15s. Let's get the 15s. That means they really selling.
Yep.
Yeah, you do gotta adapt. And like I said, I fought this on Fridays. I say it again. I fought it before and I lost so many times. Let's see if I can get my first dub though. Like I said, I wasn't even getting excited for that because we gotta actually break down they got heavy liquidity at 40.
Damn, dude. My bad. So Top Step X just sent me another invitation.
For what?
Cool.
To go?
Top Step X.
Oh, to get their platform?
Yeah, like you haven't got your first one yet?
I don't know. I ain't been checking for that mess. I mean, that tilt thing is pretty nice, but that's about it. I don't really care for it.
Oh yeah, let me look at it, man. That's actually pretty good, man.
The tilt's probably
Thanks for
like,
my
yeah, it's probably like everybody long, and let's hope their stops get ran to my break even. Like I said, I ain't getting excited until we break 840, and then even still, she might be a B and fake me out.
No, see, and that's why you're not getting the respect that you want from her. Call her the bitch that she is. You say you're a bitch.
No, I gotta talk nice to her, at least till she crossed my break even. I gotta talk to her nicely. Talk to me nicely.
Look at her bounce it off of my break even. Look at her. And did all that just to get to my break even, just to do all this.
I just took a check and my Nikes and my white tee. Talk to her nicely. Come back, baby. I miss you down here at 829. I miss you. Come back. Come back. At least get to point of control. Or VWAP. I'll take VWAP. VWAP's above point of control. Get down there. VWAP's at pre-market high. Pre-market high was 813. Keep talking to her nasty if you want to. Hey, I'm talking to her nicely. Y'all hear my daughter in the background banging on the door. She said, "Get out of the position, Dada! Get out!" No. Listen to your daughter. No.
Yeah, my daughter be doing the same thing, dude. She'll come up to me when she sees me distraught. She'll come up to me and sit in my lap
It's okay,
for
Daddy.
that emotional support.
Yeah.
Like, baby, I'm not going to get out this position, but I appreciate it. We can take this loss together. We can take it together, baby. And I can hug her afterwards and kiss her.
We can take this loss together. Hey, that emotional support is crucial. It's crucial. Get out, Dada! No.
Yeah.
It's crazy. She's stubborn like me too, and she's only 2.
Yeah. Romaine is definitely correct. I keep telling this to Smith all the time. He has balls of freaking balls of steel. Like sometimes he be holding positions. It's like, hold on, you're at 5 contracts holding it and making the drawdown. It eventually works out. It's like, man, you had balls of steel to hold that because I wouldn't even tolerate any of that.
It's like, dude, get out! Get out!
I wouldn't tolerate any of that.
Like, no, I want my target. Now I just want my break even. We got liquidity 39.37.
So I'm 3 points in the money right now. Let's see it. You know, I don't think. Yeah, she spent all that time up there collecting all that
liquidity now. All them orders. All them. There's still people long, right? So there's still bulls that are long, thinking this is small retracement. It'll go back up. We'll see. It could be. That could play out. or we can stop run these bulls, get me back below my break even, get down to VWAP, and I close my position potentially, or I just let it ride. We all know.
Ride, baby.
Okay, look, y'all, look what I'm looking at on TradingView. Look what you know we let it ride over here, baby. But look, okay, look at this. Look at this wave getting ready to tip over. It's getting ready to. We're not there just yet, but it is so close. This is an 18-point candle to the downside on the 15-minute. We're getting 10s and above in the volume, in the sell volume. That's what I'm looking at. So all y'all, hey, I'm almost at break even on the day for sitting in drawdown. Almost at break even on the day with that. Let's see what we can do here, okay? Let's see what we can do here. Oh man, if it bounces, no, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry.
I mean, it may bounce right here because, like I said, the 200 EMA is coming up at 8:30-ish, 8:32. That's why I was like, dude, you have a tough decision to make because it's gonna probably bounce.
You did call that. You did call it. Oh, you did call that. Bounce, speed, bounce. Do 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 do. 62.
I mean, do you see? I don't know if this is like a.
There's liquidity
stair
down
step
here.
thing on Bookmap, but you can see the stair stepping.
Yeah.
That's like a trend or something.
Yeah. Oh, the you talking about the white line?
Yeah. What is that? Is that
He
trend
might.
line?
I think he just added that. I don't know. He be adding new things all the time. He be adding new things all the time, man. Bounce, beat, bounce. Should I? No. I'm gonna trust. They're taking. They bounced it. They bounced it. They're bouncing it. No. What time? Let me get this out of the way. 10:15. All right, we get a 10:15. We got 30 seconds until 10:15. Of course, they come back buying that. Okay, so they cleared the books below 40. That liquidity was there, heavy. It was obviously heavy.
I think this doesn't go higher than 64. Because if you look to the left now, we have from that push from 876. If you look to the left, we got a clear breaker structure. Clear breaker structure below 44. Clear. And usually when price makes lower lows, that's a sign that if it retraces up, it's going to rebalance. The high of this rebalance is probably 63 for a move lower down. Obvious breaker structure.
Or we could just slow grind back, continue on the slow grind path back up, which that's been the story of my life, shorting on Fridays. Then when Fridays do go short, I'm in awe because I don't believe it, and I'm like, like look at this. But let's see if your theory holds true. I'm not liking it. The EMAs, the ribbons on this are strong. I want to see it push back below, but obviously, but I'm still stuck in jail. 15-minute, I'm digging the 15-minute. I'm not really digging the 5-minute right now. Let me check the.
Look at that! Look at that! You see that? You see that? See that drop?
Get up to 58. Yeah, you on point with your rebalance and dropping. You on point. Like I told y'all, I'm digging the 15-minute chart. I'm not digging the 5-minute though. I don't like the way 5 minutes looking. Because we got to break through.
That's why we close those charts when it's not doing what we want it to do.
Exactly. Kellen, you join me in the shorts. Let's go, baby. He's short from 855. the smarter choice. Let's go. All right, Kellen, you rocking with me now, bro. You on my side now. And it's too late. Don't turn back either.
Don't cut it.
Don't cut it. Let it ride, baby. We let it ride around here.
You're right.
Look at all that liquidity below 40, though. Oh, I think the bulls are waiting to just buy that up. But if the bears' strong will pushes through, then you're right.
We may get a bounce at VWAP. We might get a bounce at VWAP.
I'll have some tough decisions to make, though. Like you said, around my break even. Do I get out at break even? Call it a day in these accounts, and because I've been this sucks because I could have caught this whole move and been done.
No, the thing is, I mean, after the candles are painted, yeah, it's easy to say that. But dude, this chop and then those drops,
yeah,
no way you would have stayed in it. No way you would have stayed in it because we had before we got to this level, we had 50-point drops.
Yeah.
34 point drop.
Yeah, we did.
And then we got that move up. No way.
Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't have held through that.
And it was dropping that previous highs and everything else like that.
Yeah.
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 First time I've ever heard my name. Yeah, this is slow grind.
Dang, they bought that right back up. Excuse me. They bought that right back up. That liquidity sitting down there. Bears, y'all couldn't take that? Y'all don't want it bad enough. This mess is switched back to the upside. Clearly.
Well, let's see what they do at 63. Let's see. Probably
see.
65. I mean, honestly, like I said, I doubt that they get this back up to 873. If this breaks 873, then I'll just admit defeat on this one.
Yeah.
But I doubt it.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
Because all that money right now, all them bulls are trapped at 876 right now.
Oh, yeah. The ones that were buying up there? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're trapped.
Mm-hmm. That is not. If we closed down here, that would have been more. That would have been better for me to see us close right here and then drop back down. But we bounced the. Well, maybe that was their last ditch effort. Maybe. Maybe that was their last ditch effort. All them orders. I looked on Bookmap. I saw all them orders sitting there. So I was like, we're probably not gonna dip through that. They bought back up off of those orders sitting there, but now they gotta hold this. They gotta, and like you said, if they go back into the 70s, I'll admit defeat if we get up here to 870. All right, I'll admit defeat. And then I get out.
My stop is still at 883.
And then I get out, and then it dumps, right? Then everybody in the chat will be laughing at me. Why didn't you hold? You told me to get out a long time ago. Don't come with that. Why didn't you hold mess?
Yeah, the risk managers in the chat, man, they be on your ass. Get out.
Oh, get out. Because what happened? I think my direction was right like 3 days in a row. But I got out. Every single time I got out, I was peer pressured by the risk managers. As if I'm risking their money, they peer pressured me. Peer pressured me to get out. Oh man, that's. Oh yeah. You can add me on Discord, man, and DM me. What's my Discord? I think it's the same. NQ Trader. Let's see. Yeah. NQ. Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Bounce, straight bounce. Here they go. Here they go. Yeah, you right. I know you usually always right on me, Kellen. I know you're disappointed as a risk manager. You're disappointed in me. I know I could have got out, but I said, wait, did we dip below 40? I said I'll start to get happy if we close below 40. We dipped below it, but we didn't close below it. So I'm back to being a sad clown right now. Sad clown.
A sad bear?
Sad bear. Do they have a bear in these? I don't know. I don't see no bear, but this is me right now.
Yeah. Well, I think this is a good. Obviously, we don't know how this gonna play out. Obviously, my bias is still to the downside. We made that lower low. My bias is to the downside, and we're failing to make a higher high. We made a lower low, and we're failing to make a higher high. I think this goes on. My thing is, if this plays out the way that we want it to, if she plays it out the way we want it to, this is how it feels to be on the right side, but at the wrong time.
Mm-hmm. And that's been me in a few positions. I'm always either too early. Yeah, I'm usually too early. I don't think I've been necessarily too late on a move, but I'm usually always too early, too heavy. And I probably, obviously the smart thing would have been to get out. I could have reversed right here, actually. That would have been. And I saw all them, or I was too busy looking at Bookmap. I saw all these orders sitting below here. I knew they weren't going to break through. I knew the bears weren't going to break through it. I should have reversed down here. Went long. Could have took the L and made that back already and been back up green. But I'm stuck in jail. Stuck in NQ jail. They got,
all right, let's see what happens at this level right here.
Order block at 70.
See what happens.
Yeah, I'm looking. Heavy liquidity above. So let's see.
Yeah,
let's see.
Like I said, if it breaks 76, then yeah, we're on the side.
Yeah.
And,
but look at these orders. 75,
you know what?
73.
Because I don't want that to happen.
43. What, you putting a stop?
No, I scaled in, baby.
You scaled in.
My new.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Let me pull this over. We got 118 order block at 860. 118 order block at 860. Y'all saying pushing for 910. Sheesh. Should I reverse this? Reverse this. Take the L, reverse it, and go higher. Bro, 70. We didn't. Where's my Dom at? Let me see.
Well, okay, so we could be stubborn, but we're not gonna be foolish. If it breaks this high and closes above it,
we got this
and then retest, then I would go long there. I would just take the L, obviously, and try to recoup. If it breaks the high and closes.
I'm along the pullback though. I'm gonna wait for. Well, if we break the high, we're probably just gonna push. We're probably just gonna push. I mean, it's eating up all this liquidity though. I want to trust Bookmap. I've been trusting Bookmap has really worked out. I want to trust this thing, but my goodness, because it's just eating up all these orders. And I've only seen, from experience, I've seen it eat through liquidity orders just on like crazy pump days. Yeah, maybe we get relief at 11, but I don't know if I'll be able to survive that long till 11. Got 80 order block at 880. Yeah. Y'all throwing out some good points, some good tips. But honestly, I might cut and just be done for the day. If I take this L, I'll probably yeah.
I mean, at this point.
Yeah, at this point.
We took it. I mean, we took it.
being stubborn. But then it's
I mean, I still got 10 points. I'm still in this until 85. I'm still in this until 85.
85.
Yeah, I usually trade with less contracts so I can have a bigger stop, a bigger playroom with NQ because I know what type of female she is.
All right, I'm with you.
So.
I'm with you. My stop's at 85. I'm with you. So.
Okay. Yeah, if it touches 85, I'll be done. I'll just lose the $1,000.
I'm treating this like a top step with the DLL, the daily loss. So I'll take like a 3K loss at 85.
Hold on, what account are you in?
These are the Apex. I hate that I have to finish we had a green week and I take an L on Friday. An unnecessary L. I should have, but you were right in the time. Those drops were just dumb, ridiculously dumb. Faked us out to go short, and then we start slow grinding back up. That's frustrating. That's frustrating.
Yeah. Well, I mean, so if we're gonna recap midstream, we were positive. We just didn't take the profits because they didn't hit our target.
Yeah,
we were definitely positive. Yeah,
the stubbornness comes out again. Yeah.
Yeah, we were up like 50 something points at one point, and we just didn't take the profit because it's not good enough.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. It just took those highs and wicked down. Let's see if this is it. Let's see.
We get our dump.
Let's see.
I'm gonna keep the stop up here at 85, y'all. It's trailing stop, but I'm gonna keep it up at 85. So let's see.
Yeah, so from 76, and that was like a 50-point move down.
I know these orders want to get broken. I know they want to get broken. And I just, like I said, I might be. What was I saying? I know they want to break these. 860 is heavy liquidity. 860, they got 100-something orders, and I know the bears are want to gunning for that. You imagine how many people get stop ran through that? So I got about a 10-11 point stop right now from current price. Like I said, this is automatic trail. I'm gonna keep it at 85 though. I want to keep it at 85.
We got like 10 points. Hopefully the NQ doesn't
stop, run, and then dump. That's what she's known for. She's known for that toxicity. The toxicity of our city. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is usually the deciding factor though. Alright, we 5 points away from our stop. No! The people want to see it. They want to see us come back. The greatest comeback story ever. Keep it at 85. Keep it at 85. No! Usually at the 25-minute. Here we go. Here we go. They shooting for that 88 liquidity, aren't they? They shooting for that 88 liquidity. Oh, they about to stop run us. They about to stop run us and then dump. Watch.
I'm gonna call her a bitch if she does that.
Watch.
A bitch if she does that.
Stop field.
1 point away.
Stop field. Stop field.
Yo, she dump.
She better not dump. Oh, I'm gonna be so upset if she dumps. I'm out, y'all. I'm out. I took the L. The worst L. Should have listened to y'all. Y'all were right this time. Y'all were right. I admit when I'm wrong. No shame in that. Can't be right all the time. I took the stop. Oh, she better not dump. You better go higher. You better go higher.
Yeah, this better go to fucking 930 the way that she just ran and stopped us out like that.
She moved 50
points just to do that. She moved 50 points to stop us out.
You better run higher. You better push higher. I'm not even in a position. You better go back. Yeah, get back up there. Watch it touch 88 and drop. Touch this order block and drop. Oh. Alright, so we couldn't get a 5-win streak on these Apex accounts. The longs, I mean, y'all, I had one good trade. And if I was only in one con, got in here at VWAP long. Dang, that would have been beautiful if I hold through the what ifs. Let me measure that move. Measure that move from down there.
What did we say earlier, man? When we saw the break of structure, we knew it was going higher. We were just being stubborn.
Yeah, we being stubborn. Yeah. Let me see. 89.
Dude, she better not do that. She better not do that.
Yeah, this B better go higher. Dang, we could have caught 100 points, y'all, from that 89 entry. Could have caught over 100 points. Yeah, but you better get your ass back up there. Yeah, I'm positive on the week. We're green on the week. This is the only losing day in the Apex accounts. Unfortunate. Wanted to end it on a positive green week note, but that slow grind up. We had our small retracement. Obviously, my break even was way too low to get touched. I could have got out there, repositioned. That would have been the smart thing. Took a small loss there, reversed it, went long there, and that would have been we'd have been back in the green. Because I think this was, I was almost, I think, at like break even on the day. Well, P&L side break even. Yeah, reverse there. But my stubbornness and my break even was 829 ish. Yeah, that'd have been like a 7-8 point loss, and then reverse there to the top. But this B better not. Nah, you better not break down here. Better not. Don't. I'm still watching. I'm still watching. You better not break down.
I'm spiritually in this trade.
Yeah.
I'm spiritually in this trade right now.
We're in it in spirit. Yeah.
You bitch.
You ran.
You literally ran all the way from 838 to stop us. That was just a dump. That's why you gotta call her a bitch. You be nice to her. Pillow talk to her. No. Call her the bitch that she is.
Oh man. Yeah, get your ass back up there. You better get back up there.
Yo, that's crazy, man. She took this out and she ran an extra couple points just for good measure, just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case we won.
Just in case they move it up. They stop up higher. Oh no. Just to prove the payout.
Congratulations, JC.
Yeah, JC, congrats, yo. I'm about to put in that payout request. F all the BS. F all that. I'm logging on right now. Secure this payout while I'm still up. Apex. Shoo, playing games on a Friday. Playing games. And so they approved it that quick? That's what's up. Hey, get back up there. Make new highs. You better hit 900. Is there heavy liquidity at 900?
890. Like, where price is almost right now.
Yeah.
They still got those orders right there.
Yeah.
I mean, there is. I mean, if it gets to 900, we know it's dumping. You know it's dumping if it touches 900, 905. It's going to run them stops at 900 and dump at 905.
Mm-hmm.
That's usually what it does. It usually takes like 5 points up and then dumps.
What is it, 27.50?
So I guess we know how Monday is going to be.
Yeah. I have an idea.
Because usually, like I said, SPY is now in negative gamma. It is mostly, I mean, it's kind of positive still, but it's mostly negative. The biggest gamma level for on the positive side is at 475. The biggest negative level is at 467, or I apologize, is at 468.
Hey, check this though. That's crazy. SPY is down like $1.50, $1.60. The Qs are up $3. Why is the Qs
Really?
outperforming SPY right now? You had calls on the Qs. You are winning. You are winning.
Yeah, why is that? Why is that?
The Qs are out. Qs are sitting at 406. We're up $3 on the
Oh,
Qs.
wow. Okay, maybe I should start looking at the Qs. I guess you would have known not to short the NASDAQ today.
Yeah. We
There is no negative gamma in the Qs today. It is straight green. It is straight green. Oh my God. Okay, so that's what we'll take today. Because I just totally disregard the Qs. I totally disregard them. It's like the ES for the option world. Like, no one cares about them.
Yeah, they usually don't do anything. The Qs usually are just everybody's all in on SPY, baby.
Yep. It's like this is surprising. There is literally no negative gamma for Qs right now. So why is everybody buying up tech stocks right now? Oh, because of the raise. Okay, yeah, he basically just said that there's not going to be we're paused and there's not going to be a rate increase next year. And these tech companies, they operate off of debt, so that's why. I guess it does make sense.
Yeah.
If for those that don't understand how these social media companies, these technology companies work, usually they're always taking loans. It's
unless they're I'm gonna just say unless they're well established like Apple. Like if you're a company like Apple, they don't got to do that anymore. They got the cash to.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. With these big time investors, the way that they look at money, and I kind of play this same game with my credit card at a lower level. Yeah, you have money, but you use that money as collateral so you can use somebody else's money. You pay the small interest rate because let's just say they made, as an example, they took out $1 million loan and they only have to pay $500,000 in interest. I mean, this is an example just to make it easy. If they can flip that $1 million and make it into two and pay back the $500,000, to them and on the books, they just generated $500,000 without using their own money. And that's how these tech companies have operated. They take out these loans with low interest rates, they flip the money, they make the money back, they pay the low interest rates, and now they have that money. That's why tech tanked so hard when they was raising the interest rate, because now when they borrow money, as an example, instead of paying that $500,000 in interest, they now have to pay $7,500,000 in interest. And so now they have to flip that money that they take out a little harder. So they're not making as much money as they would have with the lower interest rate, if that makes sense to those that's listening. And that's why when the interest rates rose, tech took it the hardest. That's why all the tech companies just dumped.
Yeah.
But I guess that now makes sense. Why not everybody is trying to invest now in these tech companies now that interest rates are now being lowered. And this bitch, are you looking at her right now?
Yeah, I saw that.
Are you looking at her right now?
I saw that.
That's
Yeah,
so crazy.
I saw that. Yeah, I saw that.
That's so crazy, man.
And it's still in that uptrend on the 5 minute, and still not. I mean, even with this pullback, it's still not looking for the dump, the mother of all dumps we were looking for. Not just yet. We might, like I said, I'm gonna. Let me chill.
You want that money back, don't you?
You know I want that back. You know I want that back. I'm chilling though. I'm taking my L.
I do want to say something.
Yeah.
I did move my stop up to.
You could.
shit.
You could have told, hey, you could have said that, and I would have been like, man, let's do it. Let's let it ride. You should have said something. Oh, and if you get back to break even, cut this freaking trade. Get out.
No, fuck that. No, we're gonna let it rock. I had to move back up to 90.
That's such a degen move. You like, yeah. You like, yeah. I got my stop at 85, and I'm like, you know what? All right, I'm with you, man. I put my stop at 85. I'm with you. You go silently move it to 890. Let me get stopped out. Let me. You could have if you didn't want to say it on stream, you could have texted me that or something or wrote it in the chat.
I had no problem at not saying it on stream, but it was just instinctual. I was like, dude, you ain't about to stop me out. I would have blown the account.
Dude, because you know I would have been right there with you. I'd have been like, you know what? F it, let's do it. Let's put the stop at 90.
No, you couldn't have done that because this isn't like an eval, dude. Like, it's an eval.
Yeah.
You have a paid out account.
Yeah. Yeah.
You couldn't have followed me.
I do have an eval to trade, though. I do have an eval to trade that I gotta get through.
Yeah, I mean, no, I would not, like, dude, no. In an XFA, I would have took that. No, I was like, nah.
Yeah.
That's money that I worked hard for. And an eval, no, I'm gonna blow those. I mean, if it goes against me and I'm just gonna be stubborn about it, no.
That's wild though. You know I would have took that risk though, right along with you.
I know, that's why I didn't tell you. I know you. We're like basically the same person. When being so stubborn.
I would have moved that shit right up to 90. I'd be like, yeah, you're right. And then it went up 87. You almost got stopped out 3 points.
Yeah. I was like, you know what? I mean, if it hits 90, I don't want to blow. I mean, I paid for it. I mean,
yeah.
I gotta get out of that mentality. I paid for the damn thing. But.
That's nuts. That's wild. But yeah, that's a smart thing to do to get out, cut that crap. Cause I can't believe you did. I can't believe you did that. But that was funny. That's hilarious, actually.
Oh. Hey man, it's real. It is real and raw over here. That's what we do. We don't hide nothing from nobody. We don't want to mislead you or anything. We're real traders. We take losses. We move our stops. We do that.
Matt, you passed. Got the eval payment. 1140. Hold on, Matt. You passed in the 1 day? In 27 minutes, Matt's sitting there quiet, longing. He's like, yeah, give me your liquidity, Brandon. Give me your liquidity. We taking this higher, baby. Okay, nice. Congrats. Matt passed. He passed the 50K. Yeah, that's what's up. In 27 minutes. Yo, they probably gonna shoot themselves in the foot with that. This passing 1 day thing. They gonna have all degens going full port, full contract size based on their account. They'd be like, we
that's what they want.
We riding or dying, baby.
I mean, that's what they want. I mean, I think that's their way to getting a cash grab. Because I mean, what else would a degen do? What else? We can pass it in 1 day. We're gonna ride or die.
Yeah, and that's how I used to be with them too. Like, man, F this, F all the BS. Y'all funny. That's some funny stuff. Oh man, that is hilarious. Yeah, congrats, Matt. Yeah, let me know how that experience is. Yeah, they probably gonna shoot themselves. I mean, you know that's what they want because they expecting people to blow accounts, but the ones that do pass, they're gonna be like, oh damn, now we gotta come through on our word and give them these PAs.
I mean, it's I mean, on Apex's part, and this is kind of why I don't necessarily care for Apex's funded side.
Yeah.
I mean, the only great thing about Apex's funded side is the less restrictions, and I think that's it. But even if you're the monthly fees. I mean, they're getting money regardless
Yeah.
if you pass or fail, which is a great business strategy on their part.
Yeah. Yep.
They're making money. With good traders, they'll probably copy their trades. They're getting the monthly fees for them because nobody's not going to ever pay that lifetime fee.
Yeah.
Especially I don't know 20. And then people got 20 accounts at what $100 per account almost. Yeah. And that's
Yeah.
just one trader, so they can get all that just from one trader.
Yep.
And you got millions of people trading Apex.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I guess they're trying to recoup that $1 million payout that they got to give that guy.
Oh yeah, they trying to prepare to give this dude his $1 million payout. Yeah, like you said. This one trader, I think he trading 20 accounts,
Yeah.
and I think they were like what 50Ks, or some
He had some 50Ks and 150Ks.
Okay, so he got a mixture of 50Ks, 150Ks. This dude's getting $1 million payout from Apex.
And he had like 85K as an average in majority of his accounts.
Yeah.
And he's withdrawing because he's had the accounts for 4 months, and he's withdrawing 100% out of it.
Yep, they let you take out 100% after if you hit that 4-month window and you decide to withdraw. He's taking 100%. The only reason he hasn't taken the payout yet, and he explained on Twitter, was for tax purposes. He probably made too much money or made enough money this year, so he's rolling it. He's taking that payout in January. It's probably gonna be straight for the rest of the year. $1 million payout. I was like, yo. If y'all want to follow him, I'll put his Twitter up on there just to.
Ooh.
Let me see.
They're writing calls now in the queue.
They're writing calls. Is this our dump?
Calls now in the queue.
Is this our dump, y'all?
Might be.
Is this our dump?
It might be. They're writing nothing but calls.
Is this our dump?
Calls.
Is this what I was waiting for? This would be so freaking hurtful if they drop it all the way down. Yeah. I'm not buying it because they're still holding this 21 on my 5-minute chart.
I wouldn't buy it. I would need to see a break below.
For me, I
would need to see
below 40, 38, 40.
Yeah.
That's what
I would need to see a run of that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, because the Bears, they just keep taking it. The Bears just keep taking it. You can't even be a Bear nowadays.
They don't know when. They don't know when to give it up. The Bears, they love taking punishment. Why is that? The Bears love taking punishment. Obviously, look at me. Punished. Destroyed. We came, so I was in this. We came to my break even, maybe on this one, I don't know, on this drop here. And then they bought that right back up. So I could have got out down here on the short. Could have got out right here. Still took a loss. Could have reversed it here. Shoot up 50 points to make them new highs. And then they got a little drop. But this is key level. They got to break that and hold it. But yeah, I'm done with them. Let me look at CL. CL's and it's trying to be in its comeback story right now. Maybe I should hop in CL. Look at CL. Maybe I should hop in CL. You think we get up, back up? Oh yeah, it's right there.
Let me see. I mean, I got out of my long already. I got in at 85 and I just retested the high at 80 and got out, got filled not too long ago. At 10:30 I got filled. See, that's what I'm talking about. I got in this position. I was limited into this position at 9:20.
Yeah.
And my position didn't fill until 10:20. So I was literally in this position for a whole hour. I would short this actually.
You would short CL right now?
I would need to see a break above this level right here.
You would short CL right now?
I would need to see I mean, I wouldn't long this because we had a bullish move into a range and then a second bullish move. So that means that this
Nah.
area needs to be rebalanced. At least at 7207. I would need to see a break of that before I even trust them all.
Well, yeah, there is support that could be turned resistance right now on CL.
Yeah, this is prior support right here.
But look at
dude, hey man, I mean,
look back at NQ. Look back at NQ. You son of a gun. You dirty, dirty girl. You dirty, dirty, dirty girl. I do have another eval to trade, Jeremy. But at this point, it's like I don't even want to. And I got a Top Step account. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Let's see what happens. Dude.
I think I should be done. I should be done. And then it is lunchtime in New York, but they haven't really. I usually like to give it between 11 o'clock and 12. That hour window, 11, 12 Central Time, before that major, reversal move to happen. But he said time to revenge trade. Yeah. But I was about to say, I'm not really trusting it though. Now I got trust issues with it. Now I got trust issues.
You talking about this with this short? Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, price has to break below that 40. And then the 21, or not the 20, the 200 EMA is sitting right at the support. It's sitting right here. And VWAP is sitting right at 820. If we break below 820 and we touch 800, I feel that we can probably get a run back up to 832 and go lower. Like I said, my first target is at I'm still thinking that if we don't get to it today, 663 would probably be a level where we see a bounce. Probably 660, 675, 663 is going to probably be an area where we see a bounce. But I do believe price is going to get down there. I think that we probably might see a bounce at 732-ish, 748, 732-ish.
If we get down there.
If we get down there. But I believe we get down there, honestly.
1, 2. Oh, that could be head and shoulders on the 5 minute potentially. Maybe. The buyers are leaving the area on that stuff. Let me go ahead and put a limit there. I'm not in a. This is a different account. This is Take Profit. I have not traded this today yet. I need to get my level 2 data on here because this is trash. I do not like that.
Yeah, we'll see. I can see that. I mean, no. I think we break 810. If we get down there, 810 will probably be resistance turn into support, and then I think we're gonna probably break that. We probably might bounce at 810. I can see a bounce at 810.
Let me measure that drop though, because if this goes back up, that's just terrible timing on my part. 87 down to this is a 37 point drop. That's not for the NQ. That's not impressive for the NQ. Let me just put it that way. 53.75 is my entry on there. 15 minute bounce, BD bounce. And that's also a risky spot, but I'm liking the 15 minute or I did like it. Not anymore. These bulls are just hungry today. And like I said, it's Friday. I am like, this is gonna make like 0 and 5 on a Friday. 0-5 fighting the Friday pump.
Yeah, I don't know how we. I don't know how I get caught up in this. I really don't, honestly. Like, I mean, you know what it's going to do on Friday. I mean, you have an idea, but the 1 or 2 times where you're shorting it, it's like, man, I just want to be a damn bear today. Just work.
Just work. That's stubbornness. Let's see. If we break that, I can reverse it. And go. But, I mean, let's see what happens at the 15-minute. The 15-minute.
So, what are you thinking right now?
I don't even know.
We do got this small little pump. It is Friday. I mean...
Slow grind back. Well, because this could be a pump before they dump at 11. Maybe.
You know what?
Maybe.
You know what? I've been short all day.
You gonna go long? Nah, stay on the dark side. Join the dark side.
No, I'm hedging my position. I'm hedging my position just in case.
Join the dark side. That's crazy.
Just in case.
Qs are freaking... NQ's outperforming ES right now. ES chart looks pitiful. I don't know why people trade that. Why do people trade that? We had a 12-point drop on the 7:30 news, and then a 9-point drop at 8:15. Yeah, I don't know why people trade ES. I don't like ES.
You couldn't even pay me to trade that damn thing. That instrument. You couldn't pay me to trade it.
So 12 points. You know what, y'all? This is Slow Grind Friday. Bounce, bounce. But let me see what happens in the next minute here before we enter 11 o'clock lunchtime, and then yeah, that's what I just want to see what happens at 11. I'm already got in my mind to switch and go long. I am in short at 53, so I'm down like 10 points, and I do have it to go long, but I just want to see how price reacts at 11 o'clock. See if they pump it. If they pump it, you know, I'm reversing and I'm going long. They dump it, then I want to see it touch VWAP. How many points would that be? VWAP. That was 820. I haven't really been trading this account, you guys. I've been kind of neglecting it because I've been focusing on the Apex and Top Step. Alright, we at 11. I think that I've only traded this for like 2 days, and I've had it for like a week or so. It's been getting no attention. I mean, it's just an eval. This is gonna... that was only a 2-point candle down. 10-point, 2-point. Yeah, because there's really been no shorts. The shorts opportunity was at 8:45. That was a good short. In 8:25. Everything else has just been longs. Maybe if you caught this here going down and then bought back up on the EMA, but yeah, there's been no real short opportunities. I mean, this, if you count this from 50 to, I mean, that's a 37-point drop ish. So yeah, but or you could have just went long and caught 1,000,000 points to the upside like it's been doing. So when you're on the trending days, when you look for the opposites, the opportunities are never as good as the trend opportunity. So the longs opportunity was the best all day. You looking for shorts like me, I mean, you'll get your opportunities, but they're like onesie twosies. Like if you just stay long, you're winning. You're on top. So. Right now, I can't really call it right now. We are at 11 o'clock. I heard order filled and you're on your side. What's going on?
I'm trading my Top Step X account. I went short in crude. Hopefully that's not the wrong decision, but I went short.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Top Step. But it's only a 27-point stop. $270 if I lose. I don't think crude is going to pump up. The reason why I'm saying this is because it's right now stalled at resistance. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't pump up. But we got this big drop. They took out that liquidity. They took out the liquidity at 77. It pumped up. So yeah, breaker structure. Yeah. But it is at VWAP though, which is concerning. I mean, I should have paid attention to that, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah. I don't know what's the average move on NQ. Just going off experience, what I've seen. Total points. So if we're including like total points in both directions, shoot, I'd say anywhere from like 250 and up. 250, 300 if we're counting both directions up and down. Single direction, I don't know. Yesterday we only got a 24-point drop on the day. Think about that. As much as we moved yesterday, the close of yesterday's candle was only negative 24 points. But we moved hundreds of points in between that before it closed out negative 24. So, yeah, NQ is... she's crazy. Like Sherman said, she's crazy, but she's not that crazy. I think she's that crazy. I think she's that crazy, but...
She has yet to prove me. She has yet to prove her craziness to me. Because, if you look to the left, yeah, she does all this movement.
Mm-hmm.
But if you look to, like, once the candles are painted, she touches levels. She breaks structure. She comes back, retests, and goes higher. She does the same thing if we're going lower. If she's doing liquidity grabs, she only goes a few points above old highs and dumps. She's not that crazy. But when she's moving, oh yeah, she's crazy. And she will make you feel like you're on the wrong side of a right position.
Yeah.
She is crazy.
Yeah, I've had that.
Like yesterday,
before.
like when we was crying, like, yeah, yesterday, like, god dang. Good thing, like I was telling Smith, the only reason why I stayed in that position was because I had no profit. It was nothing to lose except my stop getting hit. That was the only thing I had to lose. So I was like, dude, I was in hope mode, and it's just my original thesis was correct. It was just that she was rebalancing, and after she rebalanced, she crashed down like we said that she was going to.
That crash was so epic, man, and I turned off the charts. I was like done after we got off stream. I was done. I did not stay in the market. I didn't even look back at the charts until I got ready, sat down to do that recap video, and I was just like, the shake my head emoji, that was me. I was just like, my gosh, my goodness, such a B. But I was impatient, you know how the story go. And now I really wish you would have told me to move that mess up to that stop to 90. This would have been the comeback story. Comeback story, baby. Nah, I would have got out. I would get out right here. If I was still in that other position in Apex and we drop back down here, I would get out. And then they'd be like, he's out, dump it. And then we go to my break even. That was at 8:20.
Where's it at now?
8:40.
My old break even.
Yeah, we at 840 right now.
Yeah. This is my old break even. Like I'm only like 4 points, or I apologize, like 10 points, because my average entry moved up to 55 because I scaled in. Remember, I was like, nah, because I feel like she's gonna dump. I scaled in, and so my average entry now is like 52, 55ish. So yeah, I scaled in 2 contracts.
You don't want to take the profit?
No.
Where are you looking for? Where are you looking for this to go?
Down, like it did yesterday.
I don't know if we get a move like yesterday. That was so epic. And
man, dude, you had a short literally at the
I was short the top.
Literally.
Hefe, if you still here, I was short the top. I would have made you proud, or maybe you would have been disappointed at that, but I was short at 880. That 885 was the high, I think, yesterday. I was short at 880. And
what was the low?
I don't even know what the low was, man.
It was like what, 600? It was literally like a 200 something move yesterday.
200 points or something like that. Yeah.
It was at 628. 628.
Sheesh.
252 points.
Sheesh.
See, I mean, that's the average. If she doesn't really move 252 points in the same direction, that's, I mean, if she rarely does this, rarely. That's why she's not that crazy. She's crazy, but not that crazy. The only time we get those 400, 300 point moves is NVIDIA earnings or great news. That's it. Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google has not pumped the market up like this. Oh, except on their earnings calls, of course. But I think the biggest pump we ever had was NVIDIA so far.
You talking about like the after hours when that shot up off of there?
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, NVIDIA pumped the market up like that twice.
Yeah, it did. It did.
It pumped the market, like, dude, I don't know what it is about NVIDIA, but NVIDIA got this technology game on lock.
Yeah.
They got the NQ on lock. Like, everybody wants to buy up NVIDIA, so.
And I don't know why everybody on this AI. I mean, AI is good and everything. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know.
How many contracts you had yesterday? 3? You would have been up 15, 16K yesterday if you held from the top to bottom.
Don't remind me that. I wouldn't have been able to claim my payout because that would have been too much.
Well, Apex doesn't do that. I mean,
they
said
windfalls, right? Windfalls, yeah, windfalls.
Yeah, like on news days. Like for the viewers, I know a lot of people are unclear about this. Apex has come out and said this plenty of times. If you have windfall profits like on news, they will not pay you out. Unless you got that 30% consistency rule. That 30% consistency rule is for windfall, gambler, FOMC. Oh, you made 10K on FOMC and think you're going to get this payout? No, they're not going to pay you out. But if Brandon would have held that position all the way from the morning into the afternoon, but every day else is the same, they would have paid him out.
Because I was in that.
Or at least that's what they claim.
Yeah, that's what they claim. I was in that mess for 10 and a half hours. That was a pre-market. That was a pre-market setup. I was looking at the charts at 9 p.m., 9:30. I saw the move. I'm like, there's no way this goes higher in the pre-market. Maybe at the open, we pump a little bit. But yeah. But of course, I'm not going to hold through all that.
Nah, that would have been torturous. You would have had to close the charts and walked away.
Exactly.
And then came back and hope for the best.
Came back and be like, pleasantly surprised. Yes.
I mean, but if you didn't close it at that bounce, yeah, that would have been like, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know. I probably would have revenge trade the next day. Like, dude, I just literally lost. I was up 16K and I'm only up 8. I'm revenge trade now.
Yeah. This held this support area here. They have not. Bears, y'all suck today. Break this 840. Let's see the real dump. These dudes suck. Y'all can't even get it down to VWAP. VWAP. I'm calling out you Bears. Y'all suck right now. Y'all suck. Just terrible. Yeah, we still out of this. I ain't take nothing in here in the Apex. You know I want to though. You know I want to. Now I want to go long. I'm with you, Bulls. but this would be the time I go long and they dump it. So that's why I'm scared. I'm scared. Go long, dump it. You know I want to get my money back. Although that's not the smart thing to do. Where y'all risk managers at saying, hey, close it. Take the L for the day. No, because then that means I'm a loser. No, I'm just playing. It's a part of the game. But
the risk managers in the chat. Where you at?
It did hold this though. That's crazy. That it has to break down. Where we get to 40 exactly.
I didn't even notice that. Oh man.
What happened?
I didn't notice that. Crap.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Forgot that I flipped over to the February chart. So I'm looking at the February chart, but Top Step X is still trading on a January chart. Damn.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Make sure you click. Oh, that's the wrong. Oh, and then I just took an unnecessarily small loss. I thought I was on my Apex one. I always hit the exit and close just to make sure there's no hanging orders sitting out there that I missed. Oh, that's another story too to tell y'all for another time. Yeah, that's a heart-wrenching story. I'm still suffering emotional damage from that story. I'll tell y'all one day about not closing out hitting this button to close out hanging orders.
Oh yeah, that sucks.
You remember? Yeah, I told you. I'm still suffering emotional damage from that, and that happened like 2 years ago. Emotional damage. 850 heavy. Man, these buyers, these bulls, these buyers.
They still buying everything up?
Yeah. Yep.
Let's see. I mean, where can they get to, man? You know what? Pump it, man.
Yeah. Y'all took the. This is the review of the Apex. It's the Apex account. We only made that 515 profit off the long. And then we had the 3 contracts, took the 3K loss. We're down 2,800 on the day. I'm going to close up shop for this. Closing up shop. I wanted a green finished, green to make a green week close, but me being stubborn shortened this slow grind up bull crap. And it's Friday. I should have known that. I did know that.
We did say that. We just openly was just being stubborn.
Yeah, openly stubborn. Dumb positions. Got to be smarter. Got to go with the trend.
I mean, there's a bulls hold this though. Like,
yeah, that's like I'm looking at. I'm looking at that. Do the bulls hold and push back up, and they take 900? Cause that's the next level, really. 890, 900. Do they take that, or do the bears? Is this a fake out? Bears come back in and dump this. Give me the dump that I've been looking for this whole session. I guess we could do that in here and not mess around with the Apex, since we're protecting capital. I'm closing this tab. Closing the tab. Exit cancel. Closing the tab. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's closed out, everybody. I need to get this level 2 data though. Subscriptions. Yeah, I got level 1. I need to get the level 2 data. I'll do that. I'll do that next week. Hey, break even. At least you didn't take no L. Might take one more. I don't know. You told me to shut her down. You might have to shut it down. Don't let this. You got filled. I heard an order being filled. What's up? Talk us through it.
Nah, you heard me get stopped out. Top Step X is kind of weird. It's kind of hard to close a position I mean, this is the cons about Top Step Exit. I just wish that they would hurry up and change. You cannot scale in. You can scale in, but your contracts will be combined. So it's not like, oh, I scale in at this area, I have 2 contracts. They combine the stops, they combine the targets, and I just haven't. I don't think there's a way to separate them. So yeah, I had to stop myself out because I did kind of go long on this, thinking that the bears was gonna take this long, but no, man.
Y'all, let's revenge trade in this take profit eval. I'm about to revenge trade in this take profit eval. Do I trust the shorts though? Heck no, I don't trust them. After what they just did to me, put me through, I don't trust them. Trust issues. And then we got all this liquidity sitting down here. The bulls want to hold this freaking level. But
I went short, baby. I might have just short at the bottom, but I went short.
F it, me too. I'm in this like a degen. 5 cons. I'm trying to get my money back. Let's make up for Apex. Let's get it and take profit. This is just an eval, guys. Of course, I don't want to. What's the? I gotta check and see what my drawdown is at. Where my drawdown is at now. Let's see. Hey, do they? So I don't know if JC's still in here. Do they send you an email that your payout request is approved, or I'm guessing? I don't know. Haven't checked my emails. I put in the request. I put in the payout request a few moments ago when we were talking about it.
So this is what she's gonna do to me, huh?
Yeah, I know.
So this is what she's gonna do.
I shorted the bottom. Hefe would be proud. Be proud of me. Shorted the bottom.
Well, if I would just stop being stubborn and just actually just go with the flow.
I know, right?
Go with the flow.
Well, I mean, the trend didn't. I mean, this small trend on the 1,000 tick is back down into the consolidation area. Ah, what the freak? Yeah, what the freak? Let me check my.
You know what I find interesting is that I just got out of a long because I didn't think it was gonna work.
Playing with our emotions right now. Playing with the emotions. Playing with the emotions. Gave back all of that. Where's that? 860. Dang, we popped up to 860. Yeah, we're yeah. Let me check this real quick, y'all. Make sure I don't blow this on. At least I could save it. Save the account. Let's see. Okay, we got a little bit of room to run. We got a little bit of room. So if this stops me out, we're still okay. But like I said, I've been neglecting this account. This is only my 3rd day trading this, and I've had it for like 2 weeks, a week. I think 2 weeks. So, yeah, about that.
Yeah, I mean, if this don't work out, that means I have to stop training for the day.
Yeah, y'all know I'm about to get stopped out. Y'all know it. We shorted the bottom, baby. I know, Kellen. I know better.
Nah, we're just in what do you call it? Stubborn mode. Like now she's just doing stuff. Now she's really playing with our emotions at this point. Are you gonna pump up or you gonna drop down? Which one are you gonna do?
Exactly.
And this is how you get chopped up in pre-market right here. Like, this is why I don't trade pre-market.
And that's the worst feeling. You get chopped up in pre-market, and then the moves happen in the New York session. That's the worst feeling, yo. All right, we're gonna take that back to 60. Give it a little bit more room. Actually, we had that at 62. Give that a little bit more room. Target just above V. They likes to play around with VWAP though. Like sometimes it'll bounce right at it. Sometimes it'll be a tick or a point or two short. tick or two short, or sometimes it'll extend. That's just the crazy. I don't know. I don't even know. No, I didn't get no email from Apex just yet about these accounts. Like I said, I just put in the requests on stream for that payout for each account. But we want this at 62. Here we go. I don't see no email from them.
Order.
That was quick.
What happened? You stopped?
Yep. I stopped out.
You were long?
Yep. After going back to see, I got stopped out short, so I went long.
She played you.
Yeah. Yes, she did.
She played you. Played on your emotions right now. Look at her playing with me.
Okay. All right. I'm done. I'm not trading anymore today.
You done?
I'm done.
Well, the chat.
She got me.
Yeah, the chat can see my last DGen play. I said I wasn't gonna be DGen, but it came. They brought it out. NQ brought it out of me today.
Damn, the risk managers ain't said nothing to you. What's going on, risk managers? What's going on?
We got some people saying, close up shop, and I feel you. I feel you, but no, I want my targets, baby. That's why I say, do not trade like me. My risk tolerance is crazy. My trade management is crazy. Sometimes it's on point. Most of the time, it's ridiculous.
Price is literally floating in midair right now. I'm not tolerating any of this.
Emotional damage. I've taken emotional damage today.
So yeah, next week I'm going to focus on. I'm going to focus on my Apex account next week. I'm up 14K in my 300K account. I'm gonna try not to go in 6 contracts off rip.
Off rip.
But
that freedom though, the freedom to do that is crazy.
It definitely is, man. Like I don't know why. It's just my mind automatically goes to because I like to put in one contract with Top Step because hey, I have to scale. So I have to get used to the trading with one contract. But with Apex, I don't have to do that.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm out. All right, I'm done, y'all, for the day. We took that other L, trying to be a DGen, and it did not work. Did not work. These bulls. Look at these bulls.
Hold on, is it still going long after it stopped me out?
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh my god.
We're chasing.
This is why.
We're chasing. Let's close up shop. Live to trade another day.
I'm not taking any trades. Yeah, I'm done.
Live to trade another day.
And I'm not going to revenge trade off stream. I'm not doing that.
You probably will, but
I won't.
I'm not. I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend, take the L to the chin, and come back stronger. I'll probably look at the charts, do some chart study on Sunday, and try to draw up some new levels so I can hopefully see this clearer, see the market more clear for next week. And guys, I will be getting some more Apex accounts to look at that pass in 1 day thing. We're gonna see about that. I said I was gonna do it anyway, but yeah, just with that pass in 1 day deal, that's good.
Too good to pass up.
Yeah, too good to pass up. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Plus, I was gonna do it anyway, and that just kind of sweetens it. So we'll see how many I get. Maybe 4 or 5, depending on. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, y'all have a good weekend. Trade if you're gonna keep trading, trade safe. This is nasty behavior right now up here. Let me look at the 5-minute. Yeah, this is just chop back and forth. We made the high, drop, and that looks like they're trying to attempt to go back up. That slow grind Friday, it's it wasn't as extreme as I've seen in the past, but nonetheless, still a slow grind Friday up. I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up, close the chart, shut her down. Not revenge trading off stream. I'm gonna just shut her down. Y'all, everybody have a good weekend. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for watching me.
Supporting us through the degen.
Yeah, through our degeneracy. Thanks for the support, the emotional support. Y'all have a good weekend. If you're gonna trade safe still. Yeah, we'll come back and do it Monday, baby. Come back and do it Monday.
Yeah, have a good weekend.
Can't change the past. Yeah, let's do it. All right. And yeah, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, join us next week on the stream. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Stay safe. All right, later.